Good morning, everyone. It's E here with 25K Trading. It's June 7th, 2017, Tuesday. Oh, I'm sorry, it's Wednesday. I haven't slept in 48 hours, so I'm running on just a little bit of steam right now. So uh, today might be a short one for today, but I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna go over everything, at least stay for the oil report, just to see whether or not oil goes up or goes down. Because you guys see here, oil's down 0.71% here today, which causes or gold to drop down as well, around 0.2%. 1290 to current price of CFD. Uh, Gold is flagging out. It's doing exactly what it should do. Lower highs, higher lower lows, and then essentially this is a build up accumulation of strength to go upwards. So we got to watch out for this bull flag here if it wants to drop out or continue to go up. Again, there's just a resistance here at 1300, of course. Let's look at so yesterday I mentioned the reports coming out today. There are no reports. They're all coming out tonight or tomorrow morning. S&P futures up 0.07, Nasdaq futures up 0.09, 1.19, fifth of a percent. VIX is relatively flat right now, and the dollar index is up a quarter of a percent. Gold is down 0.37%, 0.56% for silver. Crude is down 1.18%. Natural gas up 0.95%. Euro is down, a fourth, 0.4%. The pound is down as well, or the pound is up 0.15%. UJ is flat. Bitcoin's at 2830, $2,830 per coin. Looks like it just lost $40, down 1.4 for the day. Bonds, on the other hand, are also down. I'm looking at the futures yields; they're up on the 10, on pretty much every single yield. So we're just gonna go here look today. I'm gonna protect my positions by being aggressive to protect them, um, and that's pretty much the plan for today. I don't think if gold miners collapses today, that'd be pretty awkward. I think it has to do a bit good of a good retrace here. Just look possibly it retracing to even 2356 today. So just remember the 2356, the big ass report or resistance slash support that we counted yesterday, might drop down to there today. So just keep an eye out for everything here. Again, my final target up here is around 24.25, but we need obviously gold to go up here support. Because again, the Bulls are out for revenge, and we're gonna try to see what happens here. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Let me just check GDX real quick here. Sorry for my lack of energy today. GDX down 0.88%. GXJ down the same amount as well, which is really nothing because if you don't remember, yesterday GDX GXJ shot up at the end of the day. So right now, let me set with Discord real quick. Actually, go to the chat. Good morning, guys. I had a rough night last night. AKA, I need to sleep. You can probably notice I'm pretty damn tired, so I hope that doesn't affect me today. So I'm trying to be very conservative here as well. I am tired barely. I'm pretty tired. Also, I probably only have just a few hours of sleep. I want to tell you guys a funny story. So yesterday I was trying to get some bad karma. I was up $300 yesterday in blackjack. I somehow got up to 600 plus. I don't even know what happened. Started playing $50 hands, and I started pretty much balancing out. I couldn't lose, couldn't really win. Uh, and then I went over to poker and I got crushed in poker. So that's my karma today, right? Getting crushed in poker. So we'll see what happens here. Just I'm actually gonna run downstairs real quick. It's gonna be 15 minutes until everything opens here, 9:30. Let me go ahead and run downstairs, grab an energy drink real quick, and I'll be right back. Sounds good? Be right back, guys. Oh shoot! I noticed that it's probably gonna be okay, we're good. We good. I'm gonna turn up the volume here, guys. Don't blow up the ears. So let me go downstairs and I'll grab an energy drink real quick. What's up, guys? Back. Oh, tired. Again, today's gonna be probably a shorter day for me here today. Just a heads up. I don't think it's one of those days. It's like even if I was working full time, I'll be like, I am taking a half day. How's Vegas? Oh my god, it's very fun in terms of making not losing money. It's not fun right now because I am so beat. I'm conquered. I'm like the barbarians, and the Romans just rode over and just conquered my little village. That's what happened. Yeah, I'm gonna mute my mic here again. We have 1 minute. 1 minute till the market opens. I need to put something in my stomach real quick. I gotta put something in my stomach. Otherwise, I think I might puke. So let me go ahead and mute the mic real quick. All right, cool. I just want to make sure. Okay, I'm working here in voice chat. So we're at the 2356. If you guys think this is bullish, right now is probably the time to buy. This is the hard report I was talking about. 2356. Again, Joe, it's not a double top if you zoom out. It's only a double top on the 1 hour. So I want to see this support somewhat lasting. Again, gold is not really down that much, right? Considering we went up like 8 so high, we're only down like just a little bit. Uh, so, oh, sorry. Uh, sorry, I need to wake up here. Gold is a double top on the hourly. That's it. Double top, right? You look at the zoom out on the daily. I explained this yesterday, where it's just the trend line's breaking. It's not on a small time frame. It may look like a double top. On a large time frame, it's a clear breakout of a multi-year downtrend. So just watch out for this guy. Let's take a look at SPY. So it did the gap up and it fill it, and it's coming down now. I think it's trying to fill the gap down here for SPX. Russell here gapping up a third of a percent. UJ flat, relatively flat. Dollar had that nice little pop at night at 5:30 or at 6ish. It had to be some kind of a euro data for sure. Then anyone know what happened at 6 o'clock today to pop that upwards? Any fundamental change? U.S. oil, we're going to take a look at that. 47.62. 47 was the bounce point, so we're going to look at 47 again. The GX is down 1%. Let me go ahead and find out what happened at 6 o'clock last night. Yeah. Nothing happened at 6 o'clock. Okay, that's weird. Or I'm 7 o'clock. This happened at 7? No, it happened at 6. It's weird. Nothing happened. Dollar went up for some reason. I don't know why, But if someone else wants to check that out, let me know. And if you find out anything, ECB economic. I'm gonna go ahead and take this nugget trade. So remember my 2356. Dropping fast here. Long. All right, 3712, 3712. Thirty-seven oh six, lows 3706, 37, 37, 3690, 3690. I am in here. 3690. This is that broke, so I just bought at this resistance support pretty much. No, this is not. Guys, I am struggling. The struggle is fucking hard right now. I'm struggling to even talk. Brutal. I'm riding the struggle bus real hard right
Dude, I thought you'd be asleep.
now. No, I'm somewhat alive.
Plenty of time to sleep when the markets are closed.
Yeah, but I have other things to do. I usually wait the first 15, but this has been dropping pretty hard. Gold is only down slightly from the close, so that's my purpose of reason for long run. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna move my microphone. Take a bite out this. So I'm looking at my clones here, right? Looking for that clone to hold. It's holding. Frank Mayo's ISIS. Another thought process here is that since the gaps have been closing every time we gap up, maybe the gap will close if we close the gap down. That's the thought process behind me, and we create a nice little bull flag that way as well. This is dude. This is so rough. How do you guys do this on the West Coast? You crazy dudes.
No idea, bro. I never used to wake up early.
Man, how? How do you do that? Hammer on the 5.
Coffee, 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 coffee!
Okay.
That's cow.
I'm drinking a Rockstar right now. It's orange flavored for OJ. Hammers on the J Nug and on the 5s. 7:30 a.m. sucks. Try 5:30. Oh no, it's 6:30. Yeah, I bought on the dip for a day trade, man. I'm just contributing for the Bulls. I'm a kamikaze. I'll run first to save you guys. J Nug popping, Nugget popping. Let's look at everything else. Oil. Remember, there's a 1030 report here for oil. DXY. UJ might have hit a top here, and I'm not sure if they're going to fade this move or not. That happened at 6 o'clock. So someone said the reason why 6 o'clock happened was because of ECB, probably some QE stuff or something. But maybe this fading. We should get a better picture tomorrow with the ECB. Nice little pop here, Nugget, J Nug. Yep, and needs to fill the gap. QQQ here on the right. Right is QQQ, left is SPY. So look, this is the bit divergence. It looks good. Or you can out a little bit here, so I can get rid of my chart. But I think QQQ might fill the gap. I think the only reason why pop here is a hammer here. Oh my god, I feel so sick. I'm up 500 or 400 bucks. Oh, that's nice. UJ trying to fill the gap, guys. You are J Nug trying to fill the gap. J Nug trying to fill the gap hard. Gaps and minors need to be filled. Is it one of those days we fill the gap to the upside instead of the downside? Question mark. Huge ass hammer on the 15th. Big ass hammer on the 15th. Equities here on the 15th. Just remember the oil report here comes at 10:30. Yo, is that Kyle your mic?
Oh shit.
Very distinct sound.
That's good. Yeah. Hey, are you buying VIX today?
Oh, dude, no.
Assuming that
Definitely not even looking
Comey
at.
news,
Oh my god, I completely forgot about that shit.
because then I mean, just a quick pop in it, you know, make
Maybe just wait the
fucking
day off
a little bit of a dime.
because it's. I don't think it's gonna happen before the market opens.
Gotcha.
Greg, dude, Greg and Frank, how the fuck are you guys up? Oh my god, I'm dying. But obviously, my scenario is a little different from yours. But I, I don't like being up so early. So it's a little. It's like I was gonna say it's a little chilly, but it's my AC in my room. So uh,
Oh yeah, you're in Vegas. How was it? Did you do anything fun?
just gambling, blackjack, poker, a little bit of poker last night. Not it didn't go that well for me. But
Yep.
honestly, I was just throwing.
You could hear it in your voice.
So
Yeah, a little gamble and oh yeah, not like I
I
won
see.
$1,000. More
oh
like
no, I made a lot of money gambling. I actually tried to like lose it all like at one point. We're playing like ridiculous hands of blackjack, and I just could not. I could not lose for like. I mean, I was playing by the book, but the casino could not take money from me as hard as they could try. Like, you just couldn't. Like, I was on fucking
That's
fire.
awesome.
yeah.
Were you hammered?
So
I was. I don't really drink much. I got. I just pretty much day drank for like 10 hours. So over 10, probably like 12 hours. So that's the part that killed me. I wasn't drunk. It's just that I literally drank nothing but alcohol the whole day. So just a little bit of just hungover. I got that hangover at like at 2 o'clock last night here. That's when I was like awake and the hangover was hitting. I'm waiting for this try to gap up here. I'm waiting for Jane to try to gap up. We go up 17%. We either retrace really hard or we retrace during the day here. We just rip back up. Again, I'm thinking for another big.
looks like that retrace is happening right now. Oh, oh no. Fill the gap. Pushing on it.
And then if my memory serves me right, oh shit, here we go. Here we go. I could have won like a couple grand in poker last night on one hand, one trip aces, but then it's
Gap's
just
trying to fill now.
J Nug J Nug trying to gap hard, Nugget trying to gap hard.
And you're high today.
I should trade more hungover. It works better.
Just say I'm trading Vegas. Don't trade hungover.
Oh baby, oh
You're gonna
shit.
lose a lot of steam towards the end of the day. Yep, there you go.
Oh my god. Whatever, I'm awake now. I'm awake now. Oh yeah, I'm totally awake now. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Yo, are we gonna chant the J Nug? J Nug, J Nug, J Nug. No, oh, wait, I mean Nugget, 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 and J Nug.
Dude, I still won't play them, man. Doing way better, but it's not
Oh shit,
touching them.
let me look at my resistance here. I'm not quite
Dude,
there
you are an advertisement. You are an advertisement for energy drinks, man. I've never seen someone bounce that fast.
yet. Oh my god, I'm like refreshed now. It's like this orange juice here.
Must have been that coca from yesterday.
He
Where he
means
left this
coffee,
damn bike
kids.
on. Yeah, yeah. Cocaine bean. Oh fuck. Well, I'm up $100 today.
Well,
That's not
I
bad.
hit my target for the day already, so let's see what happens here. Oh, interesting. Oh, Nugget. J Nug J Nug's gap is about to be filled here.
37.93.
Oh my god, this is awesome. Once again, it is awesome. So someone asked me, how do I know this is going up this morning? I just bought the dip. It went to critical support. It even went below that support. I was like, let's buy, and then went a lower, 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 and for the last few times, whenever we gap up, we just fill the gap downwards. So I was thinking again, if we gap down, we fill the gap upwards. Or attempt to.
What, today's day 2, so
Yeah,
see if all
day
the
2.
gaps are, or if it gaps up and then all the dips.
Let's look at just a little bit of rejection here from the top.
Do you think if it fills that gap, will it
Let's see what happens here.
we'll start buying the dips again?
Yeah, I think that the buying might start working soon. Instead of the shorting that pops. I think I might take profit here. Just in case.
I'd wait till it's 67. And
Oh, all right. I don't even know what's happening, but sure, whatever. I don't even
fuck
fucking care.
it.
I'm so slow. I'm like typing these fucking numbers. I'm doing exactly what Greg did this morning. Let me sell it at 36.90. Oh no, not 33.90. 36.90 or 36.90. No, let me change this back. Let me change this. Oh, I can't even talk. 36.90 is my entry. God, I can't even talk. Let me
You're at
let me
36.
chill out
Oh,
here.
that's a solid
Let me
trade.
chill out here.
Take a
Let me
quarter off. Fuck it.
let me try to concentrate here and do something. Oh my god.
And it did make a new high on that candle on the 5-minute.
Yeah, it did make a new high. I'm trying to type this shit in, and it's like, oh, it's not working. All right, 37.80, not 36.80.
.30-minute hammer. Well,
I exited here. I mean, it can gap up, but I just exited here, $600. Well, almost 700
yeah.
bucks. So I might as well just
Really
take
can't
what it had, and I'm like dying here. So,
Don't get hungover,
oh my
man.
god.
Next thing on the webcast.
I don't care. Take my shares. Gap it up. I got plenty of other miners still. Oh boy.
Regret. Watch this fill the gap.
Watch
like
this
in
fucking
2
fill the gap.
minutes.
Watch this fucking fill the gap, dude.
It
Whatever.
probably will, dude.
don't
I
even
should have.
care.
I should have bought that dip. I knew I should have, but yeah, fuck it. I told myself I won't touch miners for a while.
Whatever, dude. I mean, whatever. I'm gonna say
Watch.
to the price. I'm saying to the price right now. Whatever price. But what? Why are you touching miners?
Just because, like I told you, man, that last month was just rough. I get so freaking worried on stupid shit, and I trade with emotion on minor.
Oh yeah.
Everything else, I can sit back and just watch.
Ah, you gapping up, you fucker. This is what happens when I don't have sleep. I just it's whatever. Like throw money around, whatever. I'm fucking king of the castle. Whatever.
I think
Six
if
hundred bucks.
it's gonna
Can't
stop
complain.
anywhere. If not, it's yeah. Which that would be an area gap, right? Am I right?
Oh yeah. What? Oh, it's the area gap. Or Yeah, it's
Boom.
area gap. Area gap.
Boom.
All right. Yeah, so I'm gonna be here for the oil report as well, and then maybe around noon I might log off noon Eastern time, dude, or noon Eastern time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I got it. Oh, fuck you, fucking nugget.
I told you should have just taken a fucking
Ah.
fourth off, man.
Oh, let me do some caffeine right now.
Jesus. Out of it.
Cool nugget.
Looking at 3690 is what you got in there.
Yeah. My trade is 3 to 1 risk ratio. That's what I was looking at. Can't complain. Right, exactly, Howie. I honestly think this. Oh, J Nug. Oh no, not yet. J Nug is about to fill the gap up though. Down 1%. Nugget down 1.6%. Nugget's still lagging a little bit. It's gonna fill this gap, isn't it? You're gonna fill the gap, aren't you? Aren't you? I think it wants the gap fill. It really wants this gap fill. Oh, dude, Van Eyck is probably like, oh, it's 9:15. Sit on our hands for the first 15, and let's buy. Van Eyck just turn on the buy machines. It's like, oh, low float penny stocks. Buy. All right, let's go back to the big chart. Possibly looking for another bounce at 23.55. So we're looking for that 23.57 to provide support again. We do drop here. Dollars near low again, guys. Since I'm low energy, Jeb Bush. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, yo, this is what happens when you have shitty news that comes out for no reason and just does this. Look at this dollar. Thanks for the shout out, yo. This dollar's being a piece of shit. Jesus, look at this. ECB news wipes away the news. Voila. Something in Euro. Something happened. The Europe's probably just like went vertical at that point. The Euro probably just went vertical.
Well, it's based on that.
Yo, guys. So right now Nuggets on support 38. It's technically like a support level. So, well, GDX it translates over to 38 Nugget. I don't know. ECB news shows this thing that pumped dollar and then now it's back down. I don't know. Can't complain though. Whatever. Successive. Let me get some tissue paper. I gotta blow my nose. Be right back.
Dude, go get yourself a Pedialyte.
What do you guys think? Should I go to Shake Shack or In-N-Out Burger? Later. Which one?
In and out.
In-N-Out?
In and out.
Should I get the animal burger? In-N-Out? I'm gonna be contrarian and go to Shake Shack now. I was kidding.
Or go to Caesar. They have that
I was at Caesars all night.
Yeah, but they have that seafood buffet.
Oh yeah.
I think it's Caesars or it's
Oh
MGM.
dude, I cannot eat a buffet right now. I would. That's the biggest waste of money for me right now. I could probably eat 2 spoonfuls of oatmeal and it would make me full.
Yeah, that's Vegas.
I might go to Rio and check out their poker, the World Series poker. I don't Bellagio. I love for some reason I stick with Harrah's. Harrah's is honestly one of my favorite casinos, like in Atlantic City and in Vegas. I had Thai food last night, so I have to go do some. I need IV. Again, 38 is the level of support, guys. I think. But again, it's been 35 minutes. I still think this will gap up eventually. I just don't know when, or if it wants to go down low, retest like this 3760 area. Yep, oil report here coming in 23 minutes, guys. So we're gonna look at the oil report for clues as we go forward. Again, I'm gonna probably gonna have a half day here today, mainly because I'm just so beat up, and I won't be. I'm not even talking the way I am and stuff like that. So I'll probably have a half day and just monitor stuff on my phone. But especially if the price is able to stay here around noon, I don't think it's gonna sell off in the afternoon. If we turn green at one point, if we ever turn green today, uh, that's my cue to get the fuck out of here and leave. I'm sorry, guys. I I can't do it. I can't do it for another I can't do this until 4 p.m. Eastern time. I just can't.
Yeah, man, you're in Vegas. Go enjoy yourself.
Yeah, and I made my $600 already. I made my $500 already for the day.
Those are the best days within
That's
a
the
half
best
an
thing.
hour.
Yeah, the best day is a
Yeah.
half hour. Yep, exactly, Kyle, Master Ambassador.
Dude, I still don't know that name. I still like Frank the Relic Mayo.
Frank the Relic Mayo. Yeah, I hit my target profit, so I'm more. And then I have all this other, jargon in the background. So not jargon, good swings positions.
What are you swinging right now?
A shit ton of
Besides,
shit ton of miners. That's it.
are you swinging anything else other than minor?
Nope. But hey, I just want to say at one point, probably when I get back, I'm gonna sell off my nugget and buy J Nugget instead.
Yeah.
Frank says the relic in the house. No, I got a job to do, guys. This is I enjoy doing this, and I try to be as consistent as possible. That's why I've been doing this literally every single day. And today is not gonna be a day where I quit after 30 minutes. So I'll do a half day today, at least the oil report. Because myself, I have a lot of money. Although it doesn't sound like I'm being like really excited or anything, I still do have a lot of money here in miners. So I do want to watch the price here. It's worth 4 hours of my time at least. So 3 hours at least. So we have the oil report coming at 10:30. Let me just check up on what the API report yesterday was. Because I did not even look at anything. Oh, yo, so someone mentioned about driving season. So apparently the API report, the guts of the report, said that the gasoline stocks rose. The stockpile of gasoline rose. Oh, boom, baby. Uh, Hop here back to the highs for Nugget.
Might be a hammer.
Look at this 1 hour chart. That's definitely a hammer here in the hourly prints like
Yeah, I
this.
didn't look at the hourly. I saw it on the 30-minute.
Oh yeah, 30 minute definitely shows up a hammer. It's like it's the same thing. Yeah, dude, look at that gap up. It's beautiful. So guys, it looks like the gasoline inventory soared according to the API report. It'll be up a grand right now. Whatever, it doesn't matter. I know. Yeah, I knew you were joking. Oh wait, I'm not joking. No, I didn't think you were joking. I thought you were being serious. You're like, stay in this fucking room. So the whole table last night, Blackjack was winning, and this guy next to me was like, it's like, it's like, I lose his hand, I'm leaving this table. And he never, he didn't lose a hand. He just kept on staying on the table. It was the funniest thing ever. I had to be there to actually, again, my storytelling is telling skills right now are below par, so or subpar. But anyway, this one dude's like, dude, just send me home, take my money, and he just kept on doubling his money. Big Pop's here for Nugget and J Nug. I think we're going for that gap fill for sure.
Sounds like you have allergies in the desert.
No,
I don't
I'm
know
just.
how you do.
My immune system got wrecked. That's why, and I have a cold probably from being so hot,
Gotcha.
being so cold, being so hot, being so cold. Because like when you walk into the casino, the AC just blasts you,
Yeah,
and once you go
blasted.
outside,
Yep.
and you're like, oh my god.
But it feels so good when you come off of the strip and it's 110 degrees.
Yeah, that gets so cold.
Yeah, at night. Yeah. Nighttime's best though. Be
T-Foul,
anywhere you want, man.
T-Foul, I go to Vegas, 3 times a year, so I know the city very well. I've pretty much done everything here except for go to all the restaurants and the shows, but I've explored the city or I explored this strip pretty well. J Nug filling gap up here. J Nug filled gap. J Nug fill the gap. Gap fill. Watch out for some bearishness here then. Oh, higher than gap fill. Oh, we're taking into the positive. We're taking this into the positive. We're going up. We're going to hit 24-25 today. That's why I want to cycle off my nugget and buy J Nug instead. Oh yeah, they're blowing the smoke around. That makes sense, Zero Dragon. J Nug positive, Nuggets only down I know percent, so J Nug up a fifth of percent. Buy your J Nugs, buy your J Nugs, everyone get your J Nugs. Once I get a baller status, like I'm not really that much of a baller. I'm just an average citizen.
You're probably buying bottle service at night, sitting by yourself. It's like fuck all y'all. Sitting in the
Nah,
club.
dude, too much. I can't justify paying $5,000 for a table for myself in Vegas. I mean, too much. It's not you're paying for the liquor. You're paying for the girls that come to your table after you buy them. Otherwise, why would you
Yeah.
get bottle service?
To look like a fucking badass, dude.
Yeah.
Just gotta get a whole bunch of guys fucking pitch in on it.
Got you,
Kicked
Frank.
out of the club. Because that's what happened to me. Twice. Got way too fucked up. It was fun.
Yeah, usually you have to get like one or like 2 bottles minimum, and we never have enough people to drink 2 bottles. Well, you can drink 2 bottles with 4 people, for like a pregame.
Yeah,
But
it's a
but
dangerous game there.
yeah, but like once you get to the club, you're already pre-gamed. So like, who's gonna drink? There's like 32 shots of liquor in there if you're like with 4 friends, right? It's like 8 drinks per person.
Yeah, if it's a liter bottle, yeah. But I bet you they fucking give people 750s.
Oh, isn't a 750 milliliters and a 16 shots in the standard, like just the fifth or
I wanna
whatever it is.
yeah, something roughly around there. I know a liter bottle has 32, 33. It's like 32.6.
You're fired.
Fired?
You're fired. How do you not know
Yeah.
this?
No. Okay, you can fire him.
You're
It's
fired.
another bar, dude. Thing. The only 2 things they should be owning nowadays: grocery stores and bars. Even in hardest times, those are the 2 things everyone goes.
I wonder what bars do. What happens to bars in a recession? Dude,
During the last one, we didn't do too bad. I mean,
really interesting.
yeah, I mean, you just get.
I would
say
think the
it's less
depression
business.
hits in. Depression because everyone's unemployed. No one knows what to
Yeah,
do.
exactly. Yeah, people still come in. I don't know. We didn't really see a. That was kind of like our first years at our brothers. So
J
Maybe that
Nuggets.
was it. I'm
J-
waiting on another one so I could buy like everything in the book in my account and just be like, I'm long. Fuck it. Not pay attention any days. You know.
Maestro says bars are usually recession proof or recession proof. I believe that. I could totally
Yeah.
see that.
In grocery stores, you have to. I mean, you have
It's
to
like
buy
utilities.
groceries. Yep.
Guys, watch out for this breakout. We break out here, we're going above 1300, I think. Me thinkies. Yeah, what else is gonna do, dude? Okay, I'm not gonna lie. If you ever been unemployed in your life, or you just like looking for a job or something like that, sometimes I've been in that position before as a consultant. Sometimes it's very boring, especially if I would imagine it to be very boring if someone like didn't do trading or anything like that, just to sit around just watch TV all day.
I couldn't do it, dude. Just fucking go cut lawns or something. Easiest way to make money is just mow lawn.
Not a legal immigrant, Kyle.
Yeah, either am I. But I'll still cut lawns for like 30 bucks, 40 bucks a fucking lawn. Money.
No hard labor for these baby soft hands.
I'm all about hard labor, dude. Well, that's like Thor Industries,
Uh-huh.
um, the RV company. Essentially, I know they just went up today, but the girl's dad that owns it comes into my bar all the time.
Oh yeah.
Just said that he signed off and he's retiring. And I was like, ooh, God, don't tell me this type of shit. I might use it, but like I have to get it verified before I'm like, hey, like, is that true? Because like I'm definitely who are you signing the company over?
Yo, this is recorded on YouTube, by the way. They're coming after you.
Well, I hope so. Predict the future with
That's how you know
my
you're baller.
smaller account.
I'm so baller that I'm under under insider trader scrutiny. That's how baller I am.
Yeah. Dude, if that one holds true, but that's like what, $110 stock?
Yo, I wonder what if you insider traded like $100 worth of stock? Do you think they would like come after you? Like, what if your insider trader information was only good for like $100?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I mean, there's not much that I'm gonna make off of it.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not gonna throw a whole account at something. I mean, I guess if you get good enough insider information, you throw your whole account at everything. But
So, if you guys know anything about insider trading, the hedge funds that get caught for insider trading actually are one of the worst, or the worst, are the bad hedge funds. They're not. They don't outperform at all. They do worse compared to other hedge fund, the average at hedge funds. The
probably
insider,
because they're so worried.
probably because they're so bad at trading, they need to inside trade. They're so bad. The firm itself is so bad, they have to go to insider trading. But even with that info, sometimes it doesn't work, right? Like for example, let's just say you get an ER beat, right? You get the ER, the balance sheet. The ER comes and the stock sells off, right? So oil report 8 minutes, guys. Oil report 8 minutes. Oil's coming down here a little bit. J Nuggets back to positive, guys. J Nuggets back to positive. It better be marinating for a 30% day. Oh my god, what if we yo Yao? What if they break it out tomorrow? Like a true breakout. Well, today is essentially just a pop from the lows. What if we can actually true break out the downtrend miners? So hopefully, maybe that'll be possible. Dano's on fire, baby. Fuck, up 0.5%. 2051. Gold 1292. So we're at the highs of the day for gold right now, guys. Highs of the day. So Bing, not only with the UK election, we have ECB again tomorrow. We have Comey tomorrow. We have Japanese GDP and data tonight. A lot of stuff happening tomorrow, guys. But honestly, don't be surprised if nothing happens as well. Another new intraday high here for gold. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some tissues. Sean, you've been chasing this yesterday too. I remember, bro. I remember. I remember. David trading QQQ. What are you up to? Trading some Nasdaq, shorting, long. What do you think of the equities? If you're in here,
Right now, I'm just. Oh my bad. Right now, I'm just sitting here watching, man. I want. Well, it looks like I might be short scalping in a few. Soph was wanting this thing to print 6,000. I was like, oh crap.
$6,000.
Yeah, on the futures.
6,000. Then we have a lot to go. We have like 5% left, right? 5%.
Right.
It was around 4% actually. So guys, so Ben, yes, you can. In order to join my voice chat, you have to go to my Facebook page, like the page, leave a review for me, and then private message me. So 3 steps: like, rate, and message. Yo, Nuggets going down while this is going up. Word. This could be entry here. Let's look at the dollar real quick. It's just going down slightly. Nice. Do I have a good radio voice, you guys think? I always tend to think that I have an ugly sounding voice. Not too
And
particularly
it's
nice.
just fugly, dude.
I know.
Completely fugly. No, it's not bad. Especially when you.
Low.
By the way, I did not sound like this 4 years ago. This is only because my nose is fucked up.
Or your
What?
balls dropped.
Or my balls dropped in the last 5 years. I'm a late bloomer. I hit puberty at the age of 20. Thank you. No, my nose is broken. I have a broken nose, Simon. I look like I don't look exactly like who's that? Uh who's that guy? Who's that? Owen Wilson. I have like an Owen Wilson nose, but it's not as bad. A breakout rap. Let's see. Let's see if I have the ability to do so. Let me think of something. Let me try to think of something. Let me give me 1 minute to. Oh, here you go. Here's my specific bars. I'm going long on Nugget because E told me so. Gap up today, maybe later in gold. I'm good. I'm good on that one. Where are my cherry nugs at? Where are my nuggets at? Put your hands up in the air. J and UG. We're gonna buy the J and UG.
You calling for me?
I don't know, dude. I had 5 seconds to think of that. That's the best I can come up with. What the fuck? Why is Nuggets selling off here? What's up? Oil came out. Oil came out. Oh, oil got shit on. Oil. Let me check out the oil report. Oh boy, this is getting ugly. Is it gonna bounce to 47? Or it's already below 47. Guys, we lowered production. We lowered production 24,000 barrels a day. Total petroleum inventories increased by 15.5 million barrels. What? That's pretty bearish.
Total put call ratio is at 0.77.
That's really, really, really. It's gonna go down now. 3.25, 3.295 million versus 3.464 withdrawal million. So petroleum products increased 15.5. That's really bad. Oh, gold is exploding here. Gold is going up, guys. Spy is gonna sell off here. Yo, VIX, your VIX, yo. If you guys are in VIX here, you should definitely be able to see a VIX or VIX spike here with the oil sector going down here. That was a pretty bearish report. But again, wait 15 minutes for oil and see if it reverses or not. Usually in 15 minutes it gets a little reversal. For some reason, my puts are probably in the. I'm not looking at my console right now, but I imagine my puts to be back pretty high here in oil. You know what would be perfect scenario if my puts go up and gold miners goes up. Perfect scenario right there. We're trying to break out here in gold, guys. We're trying to break out here in gold. 1293. We're trying to break out here in gold. Miners fighting hard. Long, or forever to be, this should be a short because it's at the top of the channel. And that's why the price of miners dropped. It's because people saw the gold was at the top of the channel, so they shorted here. But if we break out here, we're going above 1300. $10 move, 1287 to 1297. That's a $10 move, guys. 1287 to 1297. Excuse me while I blow my nose.
Hey, E, you said that EIA distillates, that's an important number too, right?
I just look at overall petroleum products, overall inventory, and then I also look at the production numbers as well. But I mainly focus on the production numbers and just the basic overall inventory. So far, production numbers were actually bullish. Pop, 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 pop. Again, if you wanted to buy there or forever to be regret. So if Sean's probably like, dude, I was totally waiting for another 15 cents down. Sean, let me hear it. Let me hear it. Oh, let's go gonna break out. Oh, false alert. Oh, is it? It's pushing. Gold is pushing. Oil's dropping. Gold's pushing. Nice job, Simon. See what happens. So Sean, I would totally look at gold and see what it does here. If gold can't break out, just toss the position flat. It's pushing real hard, guys. It's like it's not letting down. This 15 prints in 10 minutes. So let's see what. Oh, it's breaking out. It's breaking out, guys. Slightly breaking out. Has a hold here. 12.93. Current price of GC contracts not sure. Looking for this to go up. Come on, baby. Let's push. Push, baby. Push, baby. Push. Mm. 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 Oil's just, oil's capitulating. So if you guys are long here, or short on oil here, good for you. If you guys are still in with me when those puts. Let's see what U.S. oil's at right now. My puts are in the money, guys. My puts are fucking in the money.
Do you write options?
No, I bought those options. Those 950 puts. I bought like a week ago.
Yeah, but I'm just curious. Do you write them?
I only write on equities. And only if I hold the equity. I don't naked. I don't do naked options. It's always that.
So I take it if you do do it, you pretty much just try to cash in on the time decay more.
On the premium, yep. So again, so what happens is let's say you hold XYZ stock at $15. But there's a good, this is a long position, but you're not willing to sell it. You want to hold this for 20, 30 years or 10 to 20 years. You don't want to really mess with it. So what you can do is if you suspect the price might go down, right? Again, you're hedging, right? To save yourself. You're not hedging to make money. You're hedging in case it goes down, right? So you think it's going down, so you hedge it with the puts. So you sell the puts, collect the premium, and if the price ever goes down below the put, essentially your shares are being sold out, right? They sell them out. But essentially you can just buy back for the price they get executed at. So let's just say price XYZ stock is 15. You sell puts at 10. You collect that premium. XYZ goes to $9.50. Seller executes his puts. And you just buy back those shares at $9.50. And that premium covers your ass, right? From 10 to 9.50. Or I'm sorry, from 15 to 9.50. At least some of it gets covered, right? But you can premiums are it's always more expensive for the guy who's buying them, right? So you're relying on decay as well. So like I would do like a 1 year option or like a 1 year put option, something like that.
I have a question. Is the goal to out earn the risk free rate?
Out earn the risk free rate? Probably not.
Or to try to just get the risk free without, losing? I mean, that seems to be what options are for, is hedging, right?
It's just only to lose less money to stop the bleeding. Or you never so people that play options to make money, it's like playing penny stocks. It doesn't work. I'm selling you the option because I'm trying not to lose money, right? So I'm always thinking that you'll lose in the end, because I'm charging it the premium. It's
Oh, so
so
so it seems like what you're doing is you're gonna lose if it turns out bad, but you're gonna win if it's good or really, really bad.
yeah, essentially it's, you're looking for a lower price target, and if it wants to go there, I'll go there, and you get the lower price target, which is your strike, pretty much. Um, so essentially just covering your ass in case the stock goes down, and then there's going to be natural bears, just buy it, you know.
Okay, I think I got a better idea.
Correct me if you guys are wrong. I'm a little bit of a oh, new highs Nugget, new highs for Nugget. Oil's oil's crashing. Yo, this is awesome. We guys, yo. So we finally broke the gold and oil correlation. We finally broke the oil gold correlation. Please, oh dear Lord, thank you for breaking that correlation. That correlation sucked, dude. I hate that correlation. I fucking hated that correlation. Get the fuck out here, oil gold correlation. VIX, VIX, VIX. Show me your VIX.
Hey, E, or anybody, does anybody know a good trading view like resource for charting options and the different strategies you can use if you know, try different strategies, you see that in a charting
I
view?
wouldn't chart options. I would chart the chart and then use the options to find the supports and resistances.
Okay. Oh, this is really moving now.
It is moving up. Yep. Nuggets in the positive, guys. J Nuggets up big. Oh my god, guys. Excuse me. Dude, my USO puts are fucking making bank. Oh, dear Lord. Dear Lord. Remember when I bought those out of the money puts last week? Dear Lord. That's why I love buying the out of money putts. It's all or nothing. But you can get like a huge gain if it works.
Equities just went negative.
I feel so guilty just taking my 10
Alright.
points right now. I know I just took somebody's money.
Good. Should like that.
Feels good, don't it?
Fuck that other guy. Not here at all.
Because I know somebody was waiting along that. They bought that dip. I'm like, nah, I'm shorting it. I don't like this. I probably took Soph's money.
Has anyone seen Wins? WINS?
You mentioned it yesterday, right?
Did I? I don't know if I did. Dude, that thing is getting short squeezed. Like hard. From $16 to $138.
Oh, that guy. Is it still up there?
Yeah. It's holding.
Yo, we might break 46 in oil. 46 to 45. I see 45 as the floor here if we don't bounce here at 45.79. Once again, the cologne looks like to be all right for a little bounce. Just not sure what's going to happen here in the next 16 minutes. So far, no reversal yet on that data. And J Nugget are going a little bonkers right now. You know what would feel nice right now? A shower. I might shower right now, to be honest. Wake me up a little bit while this is going on. Yo, UJ's coming down, dollars coming down, dollars almost at a new low here, guys. Another 2017 year to date low here for dollar. UJ's popping or dropping onto support right now. It's testing support. UJ is testing support, guys. Yo, should I just stay in Vegas this whole week? Just say fuck my ticket. Just not go on my plane. Just book another hotel room. I'm thinking
And
about
the
it.
girlfriend can't get mad if you're making money. That's what I would say.
I would fly her out to like not Vegas, to like LA or something like that.
Might as well. But stay, dude. Until miners are done.
I can't do it. I think I might.
I live in Vegas.
I might honestly like die if I have another
and then
life
you
like
got
this.
you got to switch to the Golden Nugget for your
Oh
hotel.
yeah, I gotta go downtown to the Nuggets, the Golden Nugget. Gotta go to
Yeah.
Fremont Street.
Dude, Fremont Street's fun, but
It's
that
too.
gets you
Everyone
in a
there's
lot of trouble.
old, and it's like real slow during the day. That's why I don't like it that much.
Yeah. What's fucking Old Vegas? What is that? Is it
That's
Fremont
out
Street?
east, right? That's East Vegas.
Yeah, but where's
Yeah,
that
it's
like
Fre-
the
Fremont
party
Street.
zone? Where's the party zone?
Fremont Street with the canopy of lights and all that stuff.
Yeah, so it is
where
Fremont.
it is. No, that's Fremont Street.
Yeah, you gotta go during the night.
Gotta go during night. There's some weird people there.
Yeah, take your laptop down to the casino portion. And if anybody asks, you just say, "Hey, when I gamble, I like to come to the casino."
Yeah. You used to live in Henderson, Ben? The strip outside of Binions. I was actually gonna stay at the I wanted to stay downtown because I never stayed downtown. But I didn't want to stay downtown. I kind of wanted to and didn't want to at the same time. It's a different vibe down there. It's a little older. So we're the breakout is gonna bounce here. I think we're gonna bounce here at 1293 here for gold. I think it's gonna retrace a little bit from this breakout. It has to bounce here. It's probably gonna flag out here and go higher. In my opinion, again, once again, I'm biased bear. I'm sorry, I'm biased bull. So just a warning to all you guys out there. I'm a bull bias. The most amount of money I make is buying on the dips, not selling the rips. No, I would have stayed at the D. The D in Las Vegas is the newest one. It's very modern compared to the other casinos. The D. Right, the D. What kind of name is that? Or is it the V or is it the D? It's the D.
I'm not sure.
And I only like
I
it
know
because they have a
there's the
Bitcoin. They have a
Qs.
Bitcoin ATM there, so that's tight.
Are you serious?
Yep.
That'd be dope.
They have like Bitcoin stores. Like they have like stores that sell Bitcoins. Like you can walk in the store and buy Bitcoins. Like in Vegas, I've never seen that elsewhere.
Oh. Well, it's all the foreigners can transfer their dirty money.
Probably. It's probably shell
They can
companies.
still have fun. Yeah, it's okay. I don't need a money exchange. I'm gonna just get my bitcoins. Universal cryptocurrencies. Oh, yeah, I might wrap it up for.
You're gonna wrap it up for the day.
I think so. Yeah. Did you look at that wins though?
Oh no, sorry. I'm like I'm just like chilling. I'm just chugging, chilling.
Yeah, you should look at this WINS.
I
Looks
think-
like drive.
I think I look at.
I'm not kidding.
I think I looked at it yesterday. The one you said was up. I'm pretty sure it did, but I'll
It's up
double check.
another 70. It was up 100% yesterday. Now it's up 70% again.
70% today.
Yeah, it's wild. Like it happened. I saw this. I think it was almost like a couple months ago. It went up on nothing. On nothing. It was like at like $40, and then
Oh
it
my
kept
God,
pushing up and up
70%.
and up and up.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna look at that one. That's like I don't even want people to start buying that right now, so I'm not even bother.
Oh, I'm not gonna buy it. I mean, it's just worth looking at.
Yeah.
I actually found a guy that on Memorial Day weekend, he lost half of his account on Drive. And it was just a random guy that I started talking to. He lost half of his account. I mean, he only had a $4,000 account, but he's like, "Oh my god,
But
it's going up like this!"
50%
And
of any counts
boom.
a lot. Yeah.
And I was just like, "Dude, like any parabolic move, it's like you got to get in and out like in a second." He's like, "Well, yeah, but like they halted it," and I'm like, "Yeah, they halted it 3 times. Get the fuck out."
So I was talking to my cab driver yesterday. He was telling me about all the marijuana penny stocks he's been buying. I'm like, oh my God, this guy probably lost so much money. He uses this site called like marijuanastock.com or something like that. Oh my God, I can't believe.
I don't know what to buy in marijuana. It's like
Don't
you buy the.
don't buy any marijuana until it
I mean,
becomes traded on the futures. Don't buy anything marijuana related.
That
I mean, the only thing that I'd want
just
to buy.
said it right there, E. You just said it right there. Wait until it hits the futures.
Yeah.
That's what I'm waiting for BTC too.
And we're gonna short that shit to bits.
Oh.
Oh
It's gonna
yeah,
be
I
a
would short the
shorting
hell
party.
out of it.
We're shorting an eighth of weed from $50 to $10, guys.
Some swag, man. that that dank, that lemon kush to Reggie Bush. Shit. I don't know. I think the only thing you could buy on a marijuana stock like now would be something that they're going to be using, like soil or something of that nature. I just don't see money flowing straight into it, except for in the beginning. It's gonna be like Snapchat.
Speaking of cab drivers, I was reading this thing about how my home city, Chicago, the medallion prices have fallen from like 350K to now 30,000.
Fuck taxis.
I was like, dude, that sucks, man.
Cab drivers are all becoming Uber drivers. I've had plenty of Uber drivers and Lyft drivers pick me up in taxi cabs. It's whatever
I,
gets them first.
I remember though, like I think it had to be about at least 10 years ago, I would say. I was seriously thinking about driving a cab just to make some extra money on the side. I'm so glad I did not do that.
Yeah, Uber killed it.
It's killing it like retail jobs.
Yeah. I'll get it. Cash. Big retrace, man.
J Nug
Yeah,
is
F-bomb.
holding firm. J Nug is holding firm.
I agree with you, F-bomb. The medallion, that's a ripoff, man.
Guys, 93. It's bouncing off 1293. Again, long or forever regret. No, just kidding. Nothing long. But I'm just watching this level right here. If we break below 1293, right now we're pretty much at 1293. I'm going to go back to the 30-minute chart here. I like a little higher time frames. Right, so we have a little reversal candle on the 30-minute. Let's look at what the hourly is. Right, we have a reversal in the hourly. So this needs to get its butt up back to a doji. Otherwise, it's going to be lost. Guys, I'm going to take a quick 15-minute shower just to wake myself up. and I'll be right back. Or not even 15 minutes. I'll take like a quick 10-minute shower because I can trade in the nude. Perks, oh. Perks of trading. You can trade in the nude.
Amen to that. Best
Yeah,
part of
to
the job.
Emmanuel in YouTube. Yeah, I do remember it was at a half a mil. I remember that.
So per driver, you have to pay $500,000.
For the medallion, it was like
Like so, what?
almost a half a million.
So what exactly is a medallion? It's your like license, pretty much. License
Yeah, it's
drive.
like a right to own a cab. It's like the stupidest law I've ever heard of. I remember
Oh,
when I was
just to own the
into it.
cab?
I
It's
think
not
it's
for the
like just
company.
I think it's to like own the cab or something. I don't. I'm not for sure how it works, but I know that medallion is like important to have so you can operate and run a cab company.
1 medallion per cab.
Interesting. And I'm sure the cab company pays for it, right?
Most of the time, it cuts out the independent guys, so it's only the bigger businesses are able to operate, and that's what Uber essentially broke.
So pretty much a half $1,000,000 for one cab. That's insane.
You know what would be the next killer app, thinking about it, is someone implementing a cryptocurrency network to essentially replace Uber.
Oh, that's coming. That's coming. But
J-Nug down one.
God, wish I remember where I read about that. But yeah, that's coming, bro. That's coming.
EJ down one. Nugget down 2.5.
Nugget just wants to give it back right now, man.
Look at my lines here. So the next support's right here. Back to 23.56. So I might do an area gap here. Put your hands up. Oh.
Okay, I should have bought the bounce on this,
On
man.
SPY. It's bouncing on this 243. It's just so. I don't know how you guys trade equities without that leverage, right now.
Futures, man.
I'm saying the futures, but even with futures, it's like the range is so tiny intraday.
Well, I made 10 points, but
I
I could have
fixed
made
my
another
mic.
5 if I'd have, you know, had some
Hey,
balls.
can you hear my mic in the background yet?
No, you're good for now. You're good for now.
I fixed it. I found it. I found a setting.
It's a noise gate, right? Or noise suppression?
I don't know what it is, but it was under your account, go to voice, automatically determine input sensitivity.
Oh yeah, that's a noise gate. Yep. So it limits the noise in the background.
Hashtag winning, dude. Leave my mic on now.
So we're bouncing here a little bit. Miners. Nugget down 2%. J-Nug almost down 1%.
Oh, E, if you're still there. So yesterday, I was a little upset about I don't know if you caught it on TradingView, but Fib basically called me an idiot.
Really? What
He
happened?
told me. So I was, cause I made a little joke comment. It was, I was just joking. I was like, wow, look, NQ's crashing, and then he writes, he was like, yep, your comment pretty much confirms that you're an idiot.
He's just mad. He's not making money.
I'm like, what the heck? Dude, I
Uh,
was like your biggest defender. What the heck, man?
just call him out because he's Asian, trying to be white.
Nah, I ain't gonna do it. He's
I'm
he's
just
gonna
kidding.
self-destruct. He's gonna self-destruct on his own anyway.
That's
So
fine. I feel like Fib is. I honestly can't get a good read of Fib whether he's trolling or not. Or when I was in there, I disregarded every single one of his posts. To be honest, I mean, I talked to him, but I didn't even bother to open any of his charts because I remember tracking, because what I used to do is I used to track people's trades down to see how well everyone is. So again, that's how I separated the weak from the strong. Right. and I'd find out Fib's charts are absolute garbage. To be honest,
They're
like
not.
not
They're
even
not
worth opening.
garbage. It's
Not even
just
worth opening
the,
for me.
the thing with Fib's charts, okay, is that it takes time for it to for you to see results because he trades on a larger time frame.
Huh.
He doesn't necessarily day trade, and that's what a lot of folks don't. They don't like that. It's like, okay, we need something that's more intraday.
Uh-huh. Fib,
Everyone
I
wants
just
to make
remember.
fast money.
I just remember
That's the
Fib
thing.
short on the way up. He's just like, oh, just watch and listen. SPX is gonna fall from here. And what does SPX do? It just goes straight upwards.
Went straight- yes, he's
He
done
does
that
that
a
all the
couple times.
time. He does that all the time. It's like watch
Well,
and learn, kids.
it's like now. It's like now though, man. I'm not saying too much to him anymore. So, but yeah, it was like early in the morning too.
Can you have his oatmeal?
I don't know what was wrong with him, but that's like honestly that's like the second time he's done that to me, and I'm like, dude, I'm like your biggest defender on here. Why would you sit up there and do that? Okay, all right. Now
EIA
everyone's
report, Ryan.
pissed off at you.
Yeah, just move on. He's nothing. He's an Asian guy.
But anyway, yeah, I wanted to tell you that yesterday.
Yeah, just move on. I'm not big personally of a fan of Fib. I mean, he's a nice guy. Or not nice guy. I mean, he's like an average dude, but I just never really took him seriously, to be honest.
Well, reason why I got along with him is because he was when we first starting, he was the one that was mentioning Dorsey Wright and all that stuff about point and figure charting and all that stuff. And I was like, wow, okay, this is the first time I've ever heard someone really talking about that because that's all the stuff that I learned when I was working at the firm. And I figured he must have worked at a firm too. But then come to find out, this guy's just been a loner. And then after what you told me, I'm like, oh boy,
He always
really?
for all you older guys out there, this guy is like he's like Wando or whatever it is, right? Like he's always impersonating this Wando character, and apparently Wando is this detective show back in the day or something like that, right? Isn't that what it is?
Yeah, I forget the name of the show, but yeah,
Juan,
it's like
who's that investigator? It's like observations only or something like that.
uh, it's from a cop show. I can't
Is it,
remember the name of the
is it
show.
Wando? Is it,
Wando Chang.
is that a show?
No, I think that's just a name he made up. That's not the name of the character that's on his chart though. I mean on his pick,
Oh,
whatever, avatar. It's from a show, and I can't remember the name
oh,
of it. It's a cop show.
I know what it is. Uh, who is it? Okay, who is this guy? Who's this guy on the left?
You got it. What you got up in Discord?
Who is that guy on the left, guys?
Give it in Discord.
I don't know here.
All right, because I
What is
can't.
it?
I don't see none in YouTube or in Discord.
Yeah, no. Oh, he posted.
Who's the guy on the left? For all you guys that watch a little
Right,
older.
there it is. That's it. Dragnet. Okay. I can't remember the guy's name, but I remember it was a cop show.
You guys know that guy on the left? It's old school. It's from the 60s or 70s, maybe?
Matlock.
No.
Is it Matlock? I don't remember, but
Looks like a solid dude. I mean, holding the shotgun. The other guy in the background, like, fuck, like an aggressor. Probably a Thunderbird for the car.
but yeah, I mean the point is I had a lot of respect for him, man, but it's like it was just slowly dying. And then after what you had told me, I was like, oh wow. Totally shattered my faith in internet people here. But then after yesterday, I was like, dude, come on.
Dragnet. Joe Friday and Dragnet.
Is that his name, Joe Friday?
Yeah.
Okay.
Joe Friday. Cool. Yeah, this guy impersonates that guy like online. It's weird. I'm guessing this is that's his profile picture. Jack Webb. Okay, he like okay. I see. Gotcha. I guess the reason why he picked that screen name is because I'm not sure in the show, but apparently the detective guy like makes a lot of observations, so that's what he does in the stock market. He says the phrase "observations only" a lot. Essentially, he's just watching. You know, he's just seeing what's happening. I actually do like. I actually stole his catchphrase. Observations only. I stole that from him. Not a lie.
It's a catchy phrase.
It's catchy. It's very catchy. Like, you can, for example, not only can it be used positively, it can be used negatively as well. For example,
That's why he does it though.
observations only.
That's why he does it because it's a double meaning.
You fucking suck. You know, like
Right.
just,
Without cursing, that's why he does it.
yeah.
And that's one of the funny things I liked. I was like, well, that's kind of slick. I'm gonna
It's
have to start using stuff like that.
it's subtle trolling, subtle trolling. Colombo. We're back up, trying to test this thing. It's trying to break out. Oil is just getting bouncing off the lows here. JNUG is relatively just, this. If this is a retrace, this is the worst retrace ever for Bear, right? This 0.5% retrace. Nugget here looks a little better, 2.5%.
To build Trudeau. No, it's not letting him in my head or anything like that. It's just I had a certain admiration for him, but it's like after yesterday, it's like, dude, who are you?
He's a loner, dude.
And I'm not against criticism. I'm not against that. If I'm wrong, I am wrong. Cool. I learn from it. But it's another thing to just kind of be like insulting like that.
Hey, does anyone know the symbol for Smith and Weston? What is it? SW.
Talking about Smith and Wesson, AOBC, American Outdoor Brands.
What is it? AB.
AOBC, American Outdoor Brands. Are you talking about Smith and Wesson, the gun manufacturer?
Yeah.
Apple, October, Bravo, Charlie.
Military.
Frank Mayo and YouTube. I forgot all that stuff, man. I was in the army though. 13 Bravo.
Totally forgot. I was looking at them and do it for a spring trade. Like halfway. Hey, Ardavian, I think Scott wants to know your MOS.
Oh yeah, 13 Bravo, Field Artillery. Yeah, I trained down there in Fort Seal, Oklahoma, and then from there, um, was in the Army Reserve. I was supposed to went to Kandahar, but for some reason the orders got rescinded. Oh, nice, Sergeant Major. Yeah, he had some pull.
He had a lot of time then. Put it that way.
Yeah, Sergeant Major still think that he had some pull, man. He had some rank.
Well, the bar I work at, Marcus Luttrell came in, dude. That was fucking awesome. That guy's- you know who Marcus Luttrell is?
Is that the
That's
Navy Team
yeah,
6
it's
guy?
yep. It's the guy that
D- Was he the one? Was he the one that got into the fight with Oh crap!
Mark Wahlberg played him
Yeah, but
in the
didn't he
movie.
get into? He got into a fight with somebody over something that was misquoted in his book or something like that. Was he the one?
Um, sure.
You know, hold on. Let me see if I can find the name of that guy.
He was like that Navy SEAL guy, that Lone Survivor movie, like he did in real life.
I'm trying to find the name. There was this guy. He's a conspiracy theorist guy. He was like a governor. Then he moved to like Mexico. He got into a fight with one of them, and it was a big lawsuit. Or the claim Jesse Ventura. Thank you. There you go. Thank you, F bomb. Jesse Ventura got into a fight. I don't know if it was him though.
I don't know. I mean, I'm searching Google. I don't see anything. Maybe my parameters aren't amazing.
Markets.com. I I don't even know what that is, bro. Roy Wilson on YouTube. The only ones that I use are Fidelity, TD Ameritrade, Interactive Brokers is good. I think Charles Schwab is okay. E hates them.
I've never heard of markets.com.
I've never heard of that either.
I'd probably stay away from that. Like, are you just looking for like charting software or like a trading platform to trade on? My question. Whatever happened? He hasn't been on in a couple of days.
Who's that?
Frank
Oh, he's probably on vacation,
doing his yoga poses.
man.
Jesus. Like I just it's vividly stuck in my mind. I don't know if I have it on this or not.
NQ Futures trying to push up. I should have bought that long scalp on here at 58.74.
Is that all
Whatever.
you do is NQ futures until
Lately,
the Russell comes
yes.
back?
Lately, yes, until the Russell comes back. I'm also watching IWM. Um,
Dude, IWM's kind of going.
yeah.
That was the one that was struggling when I was Here, let me check. Because I mean, on my phone, I usually follow like all the ETFs. That way, I know what the hell's going on. And I don't really have to pay attention. To, like if I'm on the mobile or on the move, just look at like the Googles, the Facebooks. Good action today. Horrible.
Okay, Frank Mayo on YouTube. So that was the guy. Was
No, yeah, Chris Kyle's the guy that died.
all right then.
No,
So I had them mixed up then.
yeah,
I had the guys mixed up. All right.
I was about to say like Marcus Luttrell's he's still kicking.
Because I was about to ask him like, wait a minute, I thought he didn't he die?
No, okay, so essentially, this was like his unit went out, um, was in hostile territory. They got shot at. They started going on the move. Um, they ended up like his whole team got shot and died, fortunately. And he made it to this town that has a rule that they are a safe haven for anyone that comes in that needs it, no matter what. And it's been that way for years. And he ended up staying in that town and doing all right, and then got out of there. Chris Kyle was the sniper in I think Iraq, if I believe I'm right. And then he had the most kills confirmed, and then he came back to the states, did rehab with like people like would take people out, other veterans, and then one of the veterans just went crazy and killed him at a gun range.
By the way, with that IWM, I should have bought yesterday, but I
Let
think
me
I'm gonna
look at.
buy that today. I'm trying to wait for it to bust through 141.
Well, which might not like it. The Qs are a little bit stronger, but they're stretched from the MAs, I believe. So right on.
I'm not swing trading this. This is more of
You
a
long in
long,
it?
yeah,
Oh, okay.
more longer play here. So I'm not doing any month to month play with this. This is more me buying and investing at this point. And yeah, I probably should get into the Qs too because
I would wait for a pullback on the.
I'm trying to get back in here.
I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, it's moving up, but it moved without me, you know?
Yeah, and now you're just trying to get in there though, and like you're gonna force yourself a trade.
That's the right thing to do.
Yeah. So all right. So IWM had low volume yesterday. At that low. What? It would double top at 140, 185. What's it at today? Love the MA. I think you're gonna come back into this 137.66 area, where I'd try and get back into the IWM. Because that's going to be on that trend line coming from April.
What what were you saying about IWM?
Probably going to come into like that 137.66 area.
Well, the reason why I'm going ahead to just take a gamble with this is because it did what I wanted it to do in the first place, passing the 100 SMA on here for the 4 hour. So it did that for me, and then it backed up to 137.95 about, and then but it never fell below the 100 SMA. So
Right.
I'm thinking this is going to be safe, and all I needed to do now is just bust through 142 and just keep riding up. And if it doesn't, and it falls below that 100 SMA, I'm gonna get out. So it's gonna be either or for me.
Yeah. I mean, yesterday it closed above the gap fill, so.
And then tonight, I'm gonna take my butt to bed and not stay up late.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, I'm hurting.
Just looks like it's chopping around though.
You know what? It for IWM, it basically is, but you know, it's gonna take some time. I'm just waiting for something to happen. I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe it might be the whatever that's going on tomorrow that helps it out.
Yeah.
Or at least I hope so in the way that I want it.
Right.
What up, boys?
Hey,
What up?
All the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies. Oh.
You sound so much different on my Astros.
he took a shower, so he feels clean and
Feel
sounds clean.
clean.
Wait, which Astros are you using?
The A50s.
God, I hated the A50s. I only use those for gaming now.
That's exactly what I use it for, bro.
Yeah, I have my A40s hooked up to my computer for this, and then got A50s for gaming. And I can tell you what, those A50s are shitty compared to the A40s. It's sound
Yeah.
quality.
Yo, Big Abs. Yo, who are you? I know she's speaking quite frequently. Just recently, but who were you in the YouTube chat? Just so I know if you're
Abdullah.
Okay. Abdullah. Cool.
Yeah, you bet, bro.
Abdullah, Canadian Abdullah. Engineering.
betcha.
Okay, gotcha. Cool. You like that
You don't
oil?
sound Canadian.
Eh?
All right, I don't hear enough A's coming from.
Not enough bacon, eh? Not nipple syrup.
You sound like you've been Americanized.
He
We're
said he
gonna
grew
go
up
to
in
the pond,
Minnesota, right?
play a little puck, and then eat some cheese curds and some poutine. And
Punch 'em. Not enough bacon. I don't eat bacon, boys. Come on, man.
well, you need to ship me some Dunkaroos, man. They stopped making them in America. Shitty. Shitty. And none of that confetti frosting bullshit. It's only chocolate frosting here, okay? I'm telling you. God.
Man, you guys are awesome. Awesome.
We're
Yeah.
losers.
We have to buy them off of Amazon and someone smuggles them into our country. I'm not kidding. Like,
Fuck them.
they go over the border,
Guys?
grab them, and bring them back.
I got a great business proposition, boys. let's bottle clean air and sell it to China.
Oh, that'll work, man. That'll
They'll
work.
probably buy it.
It's already happening. I'm not fucking with you guys. It's already happening. The air quality there is so bad.
Hey, they're already bottling clean water and selling it to us, so.
Yeah, from Canada. I know people from Canada that go to the American border. They'll sell it. They'll smuggle it in. They'll sell it to someone. The guy goes to Vegas and sells that water for whatever. I think it was like a ridiculous amount. I'm just like, really? You can't just fucking buy a bottle of water? Apparently,
Yeah,
it's I don't know,
Like you should start
hot
shipping some
commodity.
water to us, man.
Some Mountain Dew.
Yeah, you can put it in Mountain Dew. I mean, I usually put it in a squirt bottle. But cool. Take some Mountain Dew.
For sure. No,
We call Mountain Dew something else here, man. It's moonshine.
I know.
Ooh.
Yo, Mountain Dew.
Moonshine's rough.
Good moonshine, man. You don't get a hangover or anything. Good moonshine is the best.
Yeah.
Yo, do you see the YouTube chat? Someone just said Abdullah has the voice of a closet bacon eater.
Who said that?
Joe Dragon.
I love him. That's awesome.
Oh yeah, that sounds like some Zero Dragon would say.
What do you guys think?
There's
Long
actually
oil?
an episode. There's actually an episode of None, which is the show with Aziz Ansari. There's an episode where he eats pork because he's a Pakistani and he's Muslim.
Yeah, I watched that. I watched that whole series. I like it.
And
Funny.
his like mom like he fucking left the table, like left the restaurant with his parents. I can't believe it's like that. Like, I mean, I can believe it, but I also can't believe it. You know.
The reason why we don't eat pork is because it's not really a clean animal to eat, in my personal opinion. And others, you guys can eat it because you guys
What, a
enjoy
pig?
it.
They're
Yeah,
so
pork
clean.
is not. They're
They're clean as all clean.
Hey, do you eat shrimp?
They roll around in mud.
Do you eat shrimp and
I know.
clams?
I know they're bottom feeders.
Yeah, those are even
Sure.
worse.
Yeah. Dude, yeah. You gotta clean a poop vein, man.
Fuck the poop vein. I eat that poop vein.
Ooh,
I'm
you're dirty.
a dirty, dirty boy.
Asians love pork, though, righty? Asians love pork. Like, I walk into, we have TNT, it's like an Asian supermarket here. You can get anything, anus, pig ears.
That's it. Anus. You
Sounds
can just
about
get
right.
Anus.
My parents
Nothing
didn't.
else.
My parents didn't eat. My parents don't eat beef. They only eat pork.
Really?
Kobe.
Not Kobe. Just like literally, like the only reason why they would ever buy steak or ever buy steak is because if I'm home or something like that, they don't. They will rarely eat beef.
Crazy.
John in YouTube
Really eat
says
that much
shrimp is
meat?
the cockroach of the sea.
It is.
John, that cockroach of the sea tastes very good in Florida
Yeah.
with lots of hot sauce.
Yeah, I wouldn't
And
go
butter.
hot sauce. I'm
Oh,
more like
hot
a
sauce.
garlic butter guy.
Hot sauce and butter. Oh yes.
So Abdullah earlier said about long and oil. So right now it's like this balance of oil is kind of pathetic. Not gonna lie.
It's
It's pretty
literally, I'm
pathetic.
just waiting. There's no support for it to go up. It just goes up a little bit and then it drops a lot more. I don't know.
It's been an hour already, so you would at least assume that it's at least reverse. So you guys remember whenever we play the EIA report, we wait 15 to 30 minutes to do the opposite of the reaction. It's been 1 hour and literally has been zero reaction at the lows.
There's no support.
I mean, it's just like there's no. I mean, there is a little bit of support, but there's no heavy buying. There's no buying. It's just like it's flat here. It's like there's no pop. I mean, what I mean? Like usually it would probably pop up to like 46.80. Again, I might be too early on this, but I would expect it now to be at least at somewhat resistance here at 46.80.
I don't know. It's funny.
So dollar is trying to come up after the hammer here in the 30, after the big drop. SPY going down, QQQ going down. Both SPY, QQQ QQQ is up 1/5%, but their most recent candles are big red ones.
Fuck, I was gonna buy AMD 2 days ago,
Oh yeah,
just for a nice little 2 day.
it's up like 8% today, or something like 7 or 8% right now, right?
You guys know why it's up though? You guys hear about?
Bitcoins or something, or what they're doing.
Well, apparently, it's in high demand because of cryptocurrency mining.
Oh, because of GPU mining.
Yeah, some of them, some of the chips are selling for 2 or 3 times the amount, and apparently, Nvidia or whatever it is, it's not supportive. So right now AMD is just that's why the pop is. I was reading an article yesterday. It's kind of cool.
That's pretty tight.
USO looks like poo-poo.
I'm really surprised Nvidia is not, making their Quadro cards more mining friendly, because those are multi-$1,000 performance cards for workstations and stuff.
Guys, I see a head and
Yeah.
shoulders here on the 5 minute against the 5 minute head and shoulders.
If
No,
they're
I lied.
diversified.
That's not head and shoulders. Nope, I lied. Never mind. The gap completely screws up the head and shoulders. Actually, no. Here we go. This is a weird head and shoulders against a 5 minute one, so it might look a little weird. This is the right shoulder is huge, so just possibly look out for that, maybe
What on gold?
like that. I don't know, but this is hitting support right now. Just remember, gold miners when it's trading normal does 2 reversals at least. So we've had 1 reversal so far, or 2 reversals so far. Or I'm sorry, gap up, close, reverse. I'm sorry, 2 or 3 reversals. So there may be another one in here today. After the lunch reversal, the morning reversal, the lunch reversal. If they want to get saucy, there's a 3 o'clock reversal.
I pretty much bought it with you in the morning.
Did you sell it?
Yeah, I sold it pretty much at the top. I had my line, and pretty much right when I hit that line, sold it, and it pretty much dropped from there. It was a pretty.
Oh, it's dropping now. Let's see. I'm gonna delete the slide. I really don't consider these support resistances here. Let's go. No more simplified. J Nugget's down 1%. Nugget is down 3%. So we're finally hitting that 1% down. Again, we went up like 4 or 5 times. We went up 5% yesterday. If we even go down 2.5% today, that should be considered normal for a retracement. Like again, that's like
Exactly.
50% retracement. So everything has to retrace before it goes up higher. Just natural progression of a trend.
Yeah. Seems like the juniors are performing a little better than the seniors.
Yeah, because juniors are so beat up.
Yep.
So beat up. That's why I said this morning, I was like, maybe I should probably take off this nugget long here instead, and use it to buy J Nugget instead of nugget. But then again, if this falls down, let's say my swing doesn't go as planned, we don't break out, we consolidate for another month, then J Nuggets probably decay more and drop more. So I'm gonna keep it the way it is right now. So this is the 2356 is the level of support here, and it's proven to be a pretty big one here in the past. So we're right here on it. Let's switch to like a bigger time frame, 15. Again, there was oh, what the fuck just happened to gold?
Sushi's getting a reversal. It's happening. Yeah, UJ just got positive.
No, but there was a sharp drop in gold. That was a $2 drop in gold, just like that, like instantly. I think there was a big sell.
Another fat finger.
They're buying opportunity.
Well, what is that, like 1.5 tenths or something of a percent?
So maybe that sharp So now we have to look to the lows again. I kind of want to buy this because it was such a sharp drop that I kind of want to buy it.
Yeah, UJ just went up to the 1.8 on that fib.
Well, it's not out of variance as far as the large up channel you see I've got, drawn there. It's still, that's the one standard deviation width.
I think I want to buy this. I want to buy Nugget here.
Mm, Oil's being a piece of shit. Good.
I'm just slightly
Go
worried that
lower.
oil can go a little lower.
Go.
I'll let this hit the support here.
Real question is, where do we long?
I think my entry might be literally the exact same entry.
Dollar's up. Dollar's kind of going up though.
Yeah, UJ's gonna.
Dollar's going to make the 50% retracement from that drop this
For
morning.
sure.
Let's check it out. Almost there, dollar. I'm ready to enter long.
And these guys that might be following that even larger down channel I've got drawn.
I'm just going to buy
What do
here
you-
this support. I think the dollars is honestly doing the 50% retracement right now. Off that big drop in the morning. One a little lower, please. I don't like this correlation one bit. Bounce on this whole number, please. 46. $37.11. Missed my entry. Fuck. 1 penny. When the limit is 1 penny away.
That's the worst.
It's fine though. It's probably gonna come back down. Oh. Fuck. Fuck.
Don't worry.
I had this
Still
at
not a
I had this
full
at
bunch.
$37.01. Because I wanted to
You
buy.
had it at? Oh, you got it at 37 even.
No. I wanted it at 37.11 or it's 37.01. It didn't hit my order, so it popped immediately after it. So I'm just gonna sit here and watch right now. If it wants to come back down, but I'm gonna go ahead.
What do you guys think's
Oh,
going on? What do you guys think's gonna happen tomorrow?
I'll be right back.
What, the Comey
Mm.
meeting?
I don't think anything's gonna happen.
Oh yeah, I don't. I bet you will get a spike in VIX.
That's what I was.
Anything.
If anything,
And
that's
that's
what I'm
about
gonna
it.
say. Yeah. I feel like people are gonna take the safe side.
That's what I've. Good risk ratio there.
I'm singing in the rain. Or is it dancing?
You didn't take us into the shower with you, did you?
He might have. He showered with E.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Chicka.
Oh, oh yeah.
Oh no. XLE just got a 2 mil bear. And then got another one at 1.5 mil.
Motherfucker. No. That would have been a great long for for a hundo. At least a scalp.
Yeah, it would have been.
Fuck. I think we're gonna go above this 2357 real quick. That's the real support. We're just under it right now by a few pennies. Again, I'm on the 15-minute chart, so it kind of looks ugly, but if you like squish this chart together, it doesn't look that bad.
Pretty much, yeah.
Energy sector is getting killed.
The energy is.
I should have shorted.
We'll probably get another chance here.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna watch here. Slight bounce here in oil. It's flagging though. Oil's flagging. Actually, I'm not gonna enter any trades because I'm taking the half day, guys. So I'm gonna wait for gold to come to this 1290 again. It's probably gonna bounce off there, off this channel medium. Just a few more ticks here. Waiting for that for gold. You guys think the Cavs are gonna win tonight?
I
Fuck,
hope
man.
not.
I can't stand Golden State. Fuck me.
Yeah, round ball. Yes. Love me some round ball.
I can't stand KD. Like,
Can't stand basketball.
He's so lanky looking, dude.
yeah, you said it right. I can't stand basketball. Like, I don't understand how they allow so many fucking all-star superstars to be on one team. You gotta have a cap. You can't have that shit. Same
it's
same
not
two
even that.
teams,
It's like,
3 years.
oh my god, he hit me. I'm gonna fall over now. Okay, you get 2 shots.
Dude,
Yeah.
Like,
wait,
it's
Kevin?
it's not like the 90s, man, or like the
No.
late 90s, like 98.
Fucking gay.
Is it true Kevin Durant couldn't even bench 135 or 185 when he was in college when he went to the NBA?
Really?
Yeah, that's
I
not
didn't
that,
know that.
like that's not that much.
No,
No, that's not shit. Like,
that's crazy, man.
He was so
But
skinny. He was like a twig.
yeah, but as long as you can shoot the ball, it doesn't matter, man.
Yeah, exactly.
Guys,
Those
that
dudes are.
the bounce of J Nuggets coming in. Or I'm sorry, a Nugget. It's bouncing now. 3701. Why you taunt me? Fuck the Celtics, Frank the Relic Mayo. They can eat dicks. Seattle Supersonics.
Frank the Relic Mayo.
So guys,
Hey.
we're getting that bounce. We're getting that bounce of Nugget to see how far it can last.
Hey Frank, don't mind them. I know exactly what you're talking about. That was real basketball back in those days.
No, I'm just saying. Fuck the Celtics. I don't like them.
Flopping and these little pantsy calls. Ooh, he touched me.
Yeah, no, it looks like wacky, wavy arm inflatable tube men out on a fucking floor, and
How much?
keep going around and around.
They should make a new Draymond rule
You know
where
what's
it's legal
crazy?
to. They should make a new Draymond rule where it's legal to hit someone with the balls.
I can't stand that
Oh my
guy.
God.
That guy's the worst human being alive. Draymond Green.
They said whoever has the ball, you're able to ball check him.
Dude. So my girlfriend won't eat Chinese food, and she just posted this. And said,
Morgan.
"This is why I don't eat Chinese." Posting it in Discord.
Oh my god, don't no. Fuck it.
Is that her?
No. She said,
E, is that you?
"Why I can't eat Chinese food?"
Looks good.
Yeah, I'm like, dude, I'd eat that.
That's cooked though.
Yeah, that's all right. It's good. It's cooked all the way through. There's
No.
carrots in there. I see some potatoes. Get a little rice in there. You're golden.
Relic knows all.
Hey, hey, Frank Mayo, don't even tell them. They don't understand. Don't even
I-
bother explaining to them. It's a different world for them, man. Don't even
Wait,
explain it to them.
Is Magic the one that has the, what is it, AIDS?
Had
Oh.
I don't know.
I remember that back in
HIV.
the
Yes,
day.
HIV.
Oh Jesus! Who posted that picture? Those some vultures, dude.
Dude, that was basketball, man. Birdman, Magic, Jordan, Doc, Dr. J. Real basketball. I don't know what this stuff is now.
Dude, you could say the last good team
The
in
Bulls.
basketball.
The
No,
Bulls.
no. It was the Pistons when they had Hamilton.
Vince Carter and all them.
Yeah, they actually played defense. That's the
I-
last team that I believe
give you
was
that.
a good team
Vince Carter's
because
still
I'll
here.
give you that. But I
they
still
would
think
sit
it's a
there,
battle.
play defense, and play the other side of the ball at the same time. After that, I stopped basketball because it just became who can score 140 points. That's so unrealistic.
Frank Mayo. That comment on YouTube. He said they could have blown up the earth after the 80s. Oh man.
Guards at 6'9". Well, no, who was that guard that was super short? But Mose, Bugsy Mose, or whatever his name was.
Bugsy.
Yeah, dude, that guy was tiny.
Fucking some of the smallest players were the best players.
Yeah, I don't think you'll ever see another person that small in the NBA.
You know, I used to
Honest-
have his card, man. And I washed it in the washing machine.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Did he shrink more? Like, dude, that's like my dad had 4 Pete Rose rookie cards, and then there was a fire at their old house, and I lost them all.
So my mom is really good friends with this lady whose son is on Villanova. I think it's gonna be Mikal Bridges. He's supposed to be a round one draft pick. And this lady, I forgot her name. Asked my mom, was like, my mom asked her because she always went to Villanova basketball stuff. She's like that, and that's how she found out. And then my mom said, and then she asked my mom, "Hey, when was the last time you went to a 76ers game?" And my mom's like, "Oh, since Charles Barkley was on the team." Oh no,
That's
she
wild,
asked him
man.
how have you like when was the last time you've seen the game even on TV? She's like, "Oh, back in the 90s."
Yeah.
What is going on here? Oil's holding stable. Miner's just doing this little thing. J-Nut,
Sideways. Meh.
it looks like it's the area gap, you know, what we said exactly. Is this going to chop sideways maybe from here?
Yeah.
I don't think it's going to collapse like yesterday. Or, I'm sorry, collapse downward, like collapsing outwards yesterday. It's so weird. Like, I used to go to classes with Evan Turner. I never really spoke to him, though. And, like, seeing him go to the NBA, like, wow, he's in math class with me. And he's, like, And like these basketball players are just not that smart. It's so funny. And now they're making millions.
Most athletes aren't really that smart,
Yeah.
brother.
You should see some of these Notre Dame football players. Idiots.
Fucking retards.
Real big idiots. The basketball players, oh my god, even fucking worse. Oh my god. You sit there and they don't even know how to order drinks. Can I get a well? Drives me. And you just go for the second cup.
I have a question for you guys. Do you guys say roof or rough?
Or like, what's the context?
The
Roof.
pronunciation.
Like, yeah, like when I was in the States, so many Americans would say rough, and I'm just like, or turbine, they would say turban. I was like, no, turban's a different thing.
A turban is what you put on your head.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Montana.
A turbine is something that's turned.
Yeah,
Not a
okay. I
windmill.
think it's maybe it was just a state thing then.
Well, I'm from Jamaica, though. I don't know.
You're from Jamaica? Nice.
E.
No, I'm just kidding.
Hold on.
Yeah.
E,
I'm
you
kidding.
did not just
Me
make
too.
Allen Iverson is the best guard of all time. No, he was not.
Who wrote that? Allen Iverson was a G though. You talking about practice? Nigga, you talk about practice.
That
Man, you're
bum.
talking about practice. I love that.
Yes, Gary Payton was much better, in my opinion.
You take that back. I can't believe, dude, Allen Iverson's draft year with Kobe Bryant and those other guys. Who else got drafted that year? That was like an epic year.
GDX, nice.
We're back at yeah.
Not, but
3703. I already canceled my order though. I'm no longer. I'm not even wanting to. I don't want to long this.
yeah, I don't.
I would still say Ray Allen's in the top guards, man.
Yeah, I even give it to Ray Allen before I
And
give it to Allen.
I will give it to the best player from Indiana, Reggie fucking Miller, man.
Yeah, he was good.
And he never fucking mouthed back. Total stand-up guy. You know, that's more of my. If you're a stand-up guy, not like a Terrell Owens. Yeah, you might be amazing, but then you turn out to be a piece of dog shit.
Jordan feared Reggie Miller, so
Gold
that
dropping,
says
boys.
everything.
Ooh.
Double
Oh,
bottom here.
I
Nugget.
just saw the news. Tesla's building
Dollar.
a factory.
Dollar moving up, boys.
What is the dollar doing today? It's like, dude, the dollar's super it's super volatile today. Like, look at these pumps and dumps on the dollar. You guys see this? This pump and dump on the dollar.
Hmm?
Yeah. It's not even hitting anything. Literally just, hey, I want to go up. And then it goes back down. I want to go back up.
Cheryl Miller. I don't know. I have to disagree with that, Scott Worden from YouTube.
I want to long this so much, but I just don't want to like long this and then just exit on my phone or not look at it. You know, if this trade takes more than 2 hours, because I'll be here, guys, for another hour or so, and then I'm logging off an hour at 1 o'clock Eastern time. Just a heads up to you guys.
Fuck it. I'm going to see Wonder Woman. Wonder if that's any good.
I heard it
Very
was
good. I heard it's very good. It's
Yeah,
the
but, like,
largest
I thought it
largest
was
gross
gonna
by
tank.
female director ever.
Yeah. The last
A comic
what was the
movie.
other one? The other one was held by what was that romance novel? The
Oh
hell was
really?
that?
Was it the
Like
bondage one?
Shades of Crap.
50 Shades of Grey, yeah. So like that was the last one. That only did 70 million. I know Wonder
Wait,
Woman
Well,
did
if I'm to
100
say
million.
50 Shades of Black,
Ooh,
Bro,
God.
crap.
how
Would
many Shades
love
of
it.
Black are there?
Well,
It's gray. It's not black.
grayish black.
50 Shades of Crap.
Oh, 50 Shades of Crap.
Oh.
Agreed.
What time should I see? 1 o'clock?
Seems like miners are correlating so much better.
Damn, J Nugget's down 4 now. Nugget down 5. Hope this is off the whole day. We're gonna do this again. I don't like this shot. We're gonna go to 1286 now.
Gold is following the larger down channel I've got.
So oil's not really moving though. So the correlation here is not there yet. Maybe it's just because it's delayed response.
I think it's correlating with the dollar.
I don't know. Why is the dollar up like this? Like, this is a big pop by the dollar.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's pretty much correlating perfectly with the dollar.
Nothing came out. No data.
Frank man. You millennials and comic book movies. What the fuck are you people thinking?
Frank, man, I gotta say, I mean, these movies are the dreams we've been dreaming for the last 20 years. Well, 10, 15 years. So I'm happy. And then they're actually doing them right. Well, at least for Marvel, they are.
Yeah, dude. DC comic ones. Like you got Arrow. What was the other one that I liked? Daredevil.
Daredevil's cool.
Yeah, and then there was the League of Legends. Is that what it was? No, what
yeah.
was it?
League of Legends.
No, it was was it Legends? Legends or something?
Legends of Tomorrow. Wait.
Yeah, Legends of Tomorrow, I think.
Oh, what are you doing, Oil?
Yeah, Legends of Tomorrow. That was solid. I will give you
Fuck.
that. But everything else, crap. Crap.
You know what, Frank? I feel you on that, but here's the thing. I mean, it sells, kids love it, so they're gonna keep beating that dead horse.
Oh yeah. Better than that Star Wars movie.
You hear that, kid? Kid Kyle? Kyle the
Hey.
Oh, your new name, Kyle the Kid.
Kyle the Kid.
You didn't like the Rogue one? You didn't like the Rogue, or you talking about
No, I did. I love Star Wars. But I'm a big sci-fi guy, so I mean, I Doctor Who. Like I've watched all the way from the very beginning, like the old ones.
Dude, by the way, Allen
No.
Iverson is right now on ESPN. I am psychic. If you guys turn to ESPN right now, you will see Iverson on TV.
But is he talking about practice?
No, they
Still
just
talking
show,
about practice.
they just show the clip of him shooting a 3 over the head coach of the Cavs. Remember that 3? I forgot what's his name again. The Cavs head. Oh, what's his name?
What's his name?
What's the head coach of the Cavs? Oh, he's talking about practice right now. Oh my God. I'm turn up. Yeah, I'm turn up. Oh, he missed it.
Oh god, that dude had everything. So much promise.
You guys hear that? Oh, whatever. This is stupid. I'm not gonna turn it up. Oh, I just realized I had noise canceling headphones, so I was like turning this fucking TV like up to max. Holy fuck! It's way too loud.
Yeah, I was really expecting Wonder Woman not to do that good because
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be terrible. I mean, I really didn't want to go see it, but now that everyone says it's good, I'm willing to
yeah,
go.
a lot of people told me to go see it. So
So it never went too low for me. I was looking between 230 here. I was looking for this like gray area right here for long. It never went there though. It hasn't gone there just yet. I'm looking for this little area here. It's between the 50 and this my trend line. So a false break of 23.35 should be a long here for me, but again, time is not on my side. SPY popping back OH QQQ. Let's do a little recap right now.
Is anybody watching Wins?
Kyle is.
Wins.
Wins.
Who's
Yeah.
Kyle?
What about it? Yeah. What
Wins.
about wins?
Damn, are you seeing this type of action, bro?
Yeah. Dude, this is normal for
Is
it.
it just going
My
up? Is it still
God.
going up?
Dude, it's like 300. It's 100% days every day.
Yeah. And it'll
What's-
happen until it hits 400.
What's the ticker?
WINS.
WINS. I mean, it's gambling. Just heads up, it is gambling.
Oh, I won't. I don't really fuck around with
But
shit like that.
it's fun to watch stocks like these and look at the volume. I mean, it's absolute dog shit volume. But when it goes up, it's just people are like, oh,
You think I should
screw it,
take
it's up
profit?
100%.
I bought 5 shares. It might be my Bitcoin, you know?
What wins?
What did you say?
Wins is your Bitcoin. You're saying nuggets your Bitcoin.
What you say? I couldn't hear you.
What's your
Dr. Joe.
Bitcoin?
The chart looks Arabic. I'm Arabic. It just definitely doesn't look Arabic. Oh, you're
Looks
fucking hilarious.
Chinese, bro.
Yeah, I was gonna say it looks more
Shit's
Chinese.
Chinese.
Yeah, I don't know. What are your predictions on this? I think wins will go to at least 270, then stop. Or that's where it's going to see its resistance.
I should have became an actor instead of a day trader.
You know what the best thing I ever did was buy Ethereum at $10.
Wait, Hedge just bought wins?
5 shares. Let them.
$100 today. These. Imagine if you would have got that in the $20 range.
Got what in the $20 range?
That win streaming. In 2 days. Oh, there you go. $86 now. 186. Oh my god.
You, UJ.
Such a short squeeze on.
Oil's just continually dropping. Nice. Going.
Oil broke 46. Oil broke 46. And I'm
Yep.
swimming in that put money. Remember my out of the money puts I bought at 950 strike? Oh, wax on, wax off. I am Sensei Lou.
Oh. That is such an ugly chart. You guys look at CVE. It's a Canadian oil company.
CDE.
They pretty much bought almost $18 billion worth of asset from ConocoPhillips
Okay. 15 billion.
oil
Did you
company.
say?
It's 18 billion.
18 billion.
And I
what's
don't
the
think
ticker?
they timed it at a worse fucking time. It doubled in size, like production wise, or production numbers doubled, but just look at their stock from fucking what?
I'm sorry. What was that again? Sorry.
SVE or
F-
CVE, sorry.
C-
CVE, Synovus.
Synovus. Oh wow.
Yeah.
They're in. Whoa. This is gonna be on my radar. Thank you for the
This
heads
is
up.
this is a really good company, no joke. Unreal company. I've worked for them.
What company?
And this is really sad to see that they're doing this bad. But they have everything for growth, like all their numbers. They just purchased this. They just purchased pretty much at a shitty time,
When
right?
did they purchase?
They purchased just like I said, $18 worth of whatever from ConocoPhillips. So they doubled in size, like production wise. Their production numbers doubled. Their break even's around $45 a barrel. Like this is a company you can make a little bit off, I think. Your radar.
I like that one. I gotta look at the fundamentals, but it looks.
Yeah.
I love these new lows, and this is not a penny stock, guys. Right? We're not at penny levels. Essentially, he's just a beat up oil and gas guy. But how much lower can this guy go? Again, this is one of those things. It's like you're either taking like you're putting it like a 25% stop loss on this guy.
Yeah, exactly.
25% stop loss, but the gains are to the upside of 100% gains if it does.
I think it's a lot lower risk and higher reward. Yeah, keep that on your radar.
Slight pop here in gold. Slight pop here off the lows here, nugget. Or I'm sorry, J nugget. Put call ratio 0.76. Thank you very much. Let's take a look at QQQ. QQQ on the right up a fifth of a percent. SPX up 0.07%. Let's take a look here. So the API report was so the EIA report came out like an hour and a half ago. It was pretty much in line with the API this time. So pretty much SP features, if you're looking at specific features, are down 0.06%. Nasdaq up 0.08. Dow Jones 0.07. Dollar index up a third of a percent.
Holy fuck, dude! The dollar is just
Gold
what a
down half
retrace.
percent. Silver's down 0.8. Crude oil down 4%, guys. Crude oil down 4%. Natural gas up 0.36%. Forex down half. I'm sorry, euro down 0.5%. That's the biggest contributor. The euro's tanking. That's pretty much it. So that's why we get this little pop. Look, a lot of volatility here. Look at this jaggedness here. So I want to see what the ECB says tomorrow. So remember I said that one of the 3 important events is happening tomorrow. ECB,
Yep.
Comey, and also Japanese data over tonight. What else do we have tomorrow? If I don't, my memory serves correct. I think those 3 are it. So again, this whole jaggedness here on the right for dollar is created from the ECB, talking heads. Guys, we bounced over 46 now. We bounced over 46 in oil. Back over 46. Dude, oil loves these solid round numbers.
It does.
I know I'm tired. I just remember so yesterday I was like so out of it at one point. I went to go buy food late night. And I gave the person my Subway card and I thought it was my credit card.
And they didn't take it? That's an insult.
Fucking rude.
Yeah. Fucking assholes.
I have this other story. Last time I was in Canada, I tried to. I went to the. I was so wasted that I went to the front desk, and I tried to. I went. I tried to go in my room. The key didn't work, so I went down to the front desk. I'm like, "Sir, my key doesn't work. I think it's demagnetized." He's like, "Oh, did you have like magnets in your wall or something?" He's like, "I'm like, no." I give him the card. He looks at the card. He's like, "Sir, you know you're staying at Caesars right now and not at Harrah's Casino and Resort." It was completely a different card that I had in my hand. I was trying to swipe in. I couldn't get in for like an hour.
Were you drunk?
Yeah, I was so drunk. That's my little story. I don't get that cool anymore. Dollar coming down, UJ coming down, guys.
Yeah, dollar coming down nicely.
A little pop here from Nuggets, forming a nice bull flag here, guys. Look at this. Look at this here. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. Just let me drop a parallel channel here.
All right.
Kyle, didn't you say you were leaving like an hour ago?
Maybe. God, calm down, man.
Get the fuck out
I
of here.
thought you were having a half day.
He's having fun, man.
Yeah. Believe me, if I wasn't in this chat room, I would have been gone at like 11. Probably earlier than that. Plus, my movie's not till 1:10. So, meh.
Dollar is hitting a 25% retracement. I think it's probably just chilling around like the 0.682. I would imagine almost a little higher than that.
That's so crazy how much it's fluctuated
Right?
up and then pretty much down and then right back up. Fucking crazy.
Right? You don't see that in the last 2 weeks. You don't see that jaggedness like immediately.
No.
I mean, you might see it like within a few days worth, but you don't see
Yeah.
it intraday like this within 1 hour. Within like two or 3 hour or what time?
Crazy.
Within like a quarter of a day. Like
Yeah,
within the
why?
4 hour,
The new miners.
without like the 4 hour chart. So if you look at the 4 hour chart, it's just like these green, red, green, right? You don't really see that here in the past, especially these big moves.
Miners is getting a pop.
Miners getting pop. It's probably a lower relief pop. Never went down enough farther to my target. I wanted under two. Oh, there it goes. What's my chart look for Ford?
Hey guys, Uzbekistan is here.
What's up, Leo?
That man.
What's up, guys?
Assalamu alaikum, dude.
Oh, or just a poop.
I still like Ford here, to be honest.
Really?
I mean, cheap. If we actually crash oil, I mean that's only good for Ford. You can't really go wrong.
Yeah,
Ford, they sell so many pickup trucks and shit. Like, if oil goes back to 35, there's another selling spree of trucks.
100%.
Dang. How much lower do you think they could go? The only thing I see is what, 1050 maybe? If it gets that bad.
So guys, we have to climb above 1290 here. 1290. So at the little circle on the right here, that's 1290. If we can bust past 1290, we're probably gonna go back up to the highs here, because it's starting to make that little triangle. But we have to go above 1290 or 1291 ish. 1290 in the 50 cents. So this is what I have for the pattern right now. I think Nugget might go up to 3760 ish. Looking at this little parallel channel, it might be just doing a little sideways action here today. Sideways action is good. I'd much rather see a nice consolidation day where it goes down 1 or 2%. That's normal. There's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, then it keeps shooting up, up, up. Then you can probably expect a nice, super big drop.
Because what happens is this drop here is leading bears to short. Right. So this drop here is pretty much enticing bears to short. So if we do go up from here, so it's going to be another short squeeze.
But
yeah,
on a real
exactly,
note,
Frank. So that's why we're waiting for CB. That's why I said just remind me whenever the stock gets a little lower here or whatever oil does. Just remember that's going to be on our radar here. CB. Oh, rejected from the 1290 here for gold.
so everyone knows there's about a month till Game of Thrones comes. Just saying.
Wiener, 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 wiener.
I love that show. Fucking great show.
Yeah, what's Frank say about that?
I just don't understand why they wait so late for it to come out, man. It's my only gripe. I really don't like that.
What for Game of Thrones?
Yeah, it's all the way in freaking June. Normally it'd be like March.
Yeah, it got delayed. They're actually talking about having season 8 come out in like 2 years.
Please don't say
Because
So that's
they
the
do
last
not-
season.
Yeah, they don't want to screw it up, and they want to put the proper time into it and not rush the film.
2 years.
Yep, that's what they're talking. They're talking about 2019.
Oh my god.
Which, I mean, you know what? Like, you're still gonna watch it, so I guarantee you still pick it up and watch that last season.
Yeah, they know that. They know.
Yeah,
like me,
so I
I'm
mean,
gonna watch it. So
that is one of the very few shows that is like TV that I actually bought the DVD copy.
well, I TORRENT mine.
Yeah. Hmm. You mean PIRTEBAY? Huh.
Yo, guys, DXY is being rejected, so is GJ.
Used to like that Captain Jack Sparrow Bay. Till it went down for a while. And then what was his name? Kim.com? Is that his
Oh,
name?
I never use that. No, I never use it. That whole site looked fishy to me. I remember when I
Dude.
first saw that, I was like, "What the hell is this shit?"
Oh my god. Kim.com. Let's get a picture up here so everyone can see what we're talking about.
Now I just use Cody.
Cody's a
Yeah.
shit.
It
So-
works for me.
Great. Especially if you get all the
this guy just posted in Discord. This guy ran Mega Upload.
Yeah, I know.
Big
When I
got
first found out about
off.
that, I was like floored. Like that guy.
Yeah. Come on.
You guys, dude, Mega Upload was the bomb back in the day.
Yeah.
Remember, you used to download
Shit.
10 different parts of something, and then use WinRAR to extract it all.
Dude, I never used that site. That site looked so sketchy
It
to
was
me, man.
perfect.
It was
the
awesome.
best site.
Best site ever.
That's why they went after it. It was
Fucking
the best
Americans.
site.
Goddamn Americans. Dude, we rated someone in New Zealand. Like, doesn't even make sense.
Hey, just showed you how far they'll go.
Dude, he was the #1 Call of Duty player. Did you know that? Number
I'm
one
not
ranked.
No
surprised.
way.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yep.
I retired Call of Duty. Oh, I used to be avid gamer.
Call of Duty,
What?
the new one that's coming out. Definitely
Oh,
buying that. You probably won't see
yep.
me for a couple months.
Won't see. Yeah, you'll see me, but I love the first one. World at War was one of my favorite games.
Yep.
Like,
Oh, that's
such a-
not the first one. The first one was like GameCube. Was it GameCube? Came out on? Or was it?
World at War series. The first one that came out.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. I was sponsored for that one.
Oh, really? It's tight.
No joke. On Xbox, I was ranked at one point 13th in the world.
Kim.com, #1. I wonder, do you guys play in competitions or something?
You were ranked 13th in the world in overall stats, or like
So-
a particular game mode.
Search and destroy.
Okay. So were you using Turtle Beaches back then, or were you using Astros?
I think I don't, definitely not Astros. Turtle Beach.
Yeah, I had Turtle Beach. What? It wasn't the X11s. It was
The
X41s.
X41s.
Yeah, they're X41.
I just want to go back on Kim.com. So about the election, this American election. So Kim.com was saying like all this like conspiracy stuff about WikiLeaks and stuff. I think he was just talking out of his ass, man. Like he was trying to get attention, popularity. I didn't like that. Essentially, he had no inside classified information, but on Twitter, he said he had all this, WikiLeaks data and this DNC Seth Rich stuff, and he said he hacked or something, and he hacked someone, and it was all bullshit, and it was just a little media advertisement for his news site Megalo Upload like 2.0 or something like that. So I kind of like unrespected him, or I lost my respect for him after the election or during the election. Yep. Zero. So Howie, we go up 5%. It's only Howie, we go up 5% yesterday. It's only reasonable we go down 1.5%, 2%, right? Imagine that 50% retracement. If 50% retracement comes, we're going down like a little bit over 2%. But again, these plays I have are swing plays. They're hooks already in. My hook's already in, right? Essentially, I'm looking for the next breakout here.
Yeah, VIX is catching a bid.
Yep, VIX closed the gap. As someone just said in the chat. It
Yeah.
closed the gap and now it's exploding here up a fifth of percent. I'm sorry, up 0.5%.
Daily is looking like a hammer.
Here, I can get some water.
Monthly hammer. Possible monthly hammer.
I wanted to check.
Yeah, I should have bought my VIX today.
Yeah, honestly, I was gonna do the same thing.
Just see what's up. Keep it small. By VXX. For the
And
short.
hold it for tomorrow. I might buy it tomorrow. World at War.
Yeah, I was sponsored by Pro Mods, and
Pro Mods, I remember them Pro Mods. Fuck Pro Mods.
yeah, I just got a regular controller from them and shit. They were sponsored by GTX Graphics. We had one more.
What game mode did you play?
To be honest, I couldn't even remember, but I was that guy with that MP40.
Oh, the old MP40 with the round drum.
Oh yeah.
I love the Type. I loved all the guns actually in that game, but I love the Type 100.
Yeah. The only one I didn't like was where that clip came over the center of the fucking when you were shooting it, and you couldn't see the whole right side. And it was a Japanese gun.
Was it the Type 99?
Yeah, it might have been Type 99. That gun was crap.
Such a simple game, simple times. Now you got fucking flying around like spider monkeys.
Yeah, that's why I hope this new one that's coming out is kind of reverts to the old stuff. be super nice to actually start. I mean, I've been playing Battlefield 1. That was definitely an awesome game. Still is.
Ugh.
I don't touch video games as much anymore.
Oh, but Battlefield, yeah, that new Battlefield 1 is really good.
Yeah, I haven't played in like 4 or 5 weeks. When I get into a game, it's like I play every day. It's terrible.
The worst.
Yeah.
So guys, so for UJ here, if we're staying under 110, I think we're still going 108.8. But for DXY here, 96.82. Again, we're seeing a reversal here. We went way above that 50% retracement. Let's see what it is here. Oh, look at this. So I moved my lines a little bit. Look what we found.
What did you?
The
Dude,
50%.
what do we?
The 50% retracement.
Under the 50% retracement.
Oh, so this is one of my. This is actually a clone of mine. I think. I just don't have the lines there. It's a segment. My clones here for DXY are a little larger. So looks like I hit that 50% here from that drop from the NFP. U.S. oil 46, man. This is bouncing off 46. Nugget down 3%. Dude, very impressive pop from Nugget, guys. Very impressive pop off its lows. J-Nug off its lows as well. J-Nug is a little laggy now.
All right. That's time, man. I will see you guys later.
See you,
Later,
man.
buddy.
So, sorry guys. 37. This is again resistance now. Support is now resistance. I'm just getting wary of this head and shoulders here. So unless we have to climb above this little resistance level here for GDX. But right now everything's looking good. Everything's looking good. Right, we have the retracement going on. Normal action. This is normal. It's, we're not closing the gap. Gold is not back down below 1260. We should be good. So far, the pops and dollar have been shorted. Let's wait for this hourly to print. SPY here sideways. QQQ sideways. Huge pop in GDX, guys. Or not huge pop, a big pop in GDX. GDX is only down 1% now. Only down 1%, guys, off a 5% day yesterday, right? Very normal stuff. Again, we're looking at intraday, so these pops and drops may be a little scary. But this is the lunchtime reversal, maybe?
Yeah.
Morning reversal, lunchtime reversal, 3 o'clock reversal. Oh my god, I sprayed this cologne in my nose. Good.
An hour ago, I have shorted um, British pound and Japanese yen.
You're shorting that, so you want the yen to go up. Yeah, you want the yen to go up. Yeah. Appreciate the yen.
Yeah.
I'm not too sure of the pound yen correlation, though, but essentially you're just saying the yen gets a little stronger overall. Right?
Yeah, yen is getting stronger. But according to the correlation, euro Japanese yen is also supposed to go down, but it doesn't. It sort of doesn't.
I hate the yen so much. It's so weak, but sometimes it's not doing what it should be doing. It should be way stronger, I think. That's why I said watch out for the Japanese data tonight, guys. We're hitting 1291 here. Oh yo, guys, we're hitting the 1290 pivot here for gold. So the little circle I drew here in gold, we're looking to go above that one, that 1290 here.
What time frame is it?
It's 1
again,
hour
please?
or 15 minutes. Oh,
Okay.
we're breaking the resist. We're right now. If you're looking at GC contracts, we're pushing against resistance right now, and it just dropped a little bit from that resistance level. My numbers are a little different because I'm using a CFD. So if you're using gold contracts, it's probably like a buck or two higher.
Oh, I was so close to going in there. I should have.
Did Kyle leave his mic on? Who was that? Oh, that's Leo. Leo, you're breathing real hard or something. I can hear some background noise.
Yeah, I breathe like I'm dying or something. Yeah, I recognize it. Sorry, guys. Sorry.
Oh, that's cool.
Oil fucking just wants to keep
Wait,
going down.
what the? I just tried to log. I entered the wrong password and it just says Charles Schwab told me I don't have any accounts. What the fuck? What's wrong with Schwab? Trying to log in with my phone. What is this? So weird glitch.
Your money is gone. All your money is gone.
I'll figure it out later. I'll just log into the browser. VIX is up here near the highs of the day. Oil's down here. Yo, guys, oil broke 46 again. Guys, oil broke 46 again. Guys, oil's trading at 48.90. It's hitting support now. Dollar getting rejected from the 50% retracement, guys. On the right here, dollar's getting rejected from the 50%. On the left here, UJ's coming down after that 1 hour of print of the shooting star. The thing is, I don't know if you guys gonna have this problem. My hands get real sweaty when I trade. So it's like when I try to log into my account sometimes, if I'm on my phone, I can't do the Touch ID thing because it's like my fingers are too sweaty. It's pretty annoying. But anyway, CJ's turning down here. Hey Leo, is GJ turning down for you right now? I don't know. He's not here.
Yeah,
It's going down, right?
GJ is, yeah, pretty much. Massive candle. Bearish candle I have.
Good for you, right?
It already took my take profit, so.
Oh, you already took profit here?
Yeah.
It honestly
Yeah,
looks like it's gonna do this. I don't know. It's gonna go lower.
Yeah, it is, but I like, you know, to put a chunk of money.
Yeah.
So,
Oh yeah.
in this case, I have put like $2,000 and I got like 500. It's okay. In a
Oh
matter of
yeah.
like in a matter of like 40 minutes, it's fine.
Oh yeah. That's great.
Guys, we should create a business and we can all be equity owners. Something random. Let's think of a business. So last night I dropped my phone multiple times on the concrete face down, and I just got. If you guys don't you guys remember last week I broke my phone because I dropped on concrete. So I'm very surprised to see it still working now. But I want to invent something that you put on your phone or put in your wallet so your phone can't fall out. Right? Do you guys ever have the
Like,
problem when you put your phone in your pocket and it just slides out? I want to invent something that holds it in there.
you're talking about yeah, you'd have to have some kind of magnet.
Or something like that, right?
Yeah, you'd have to put like a magnet in the back of your phone case, and then one that would be inside your.
But I think a magnet wouldn't be that good if you're putting next to electronics. So that's the only thing. I want to do that. Rubber dots. It's more for those that don't use phone cases because I do not use a phone case. Why am I buying a thin phone if I'm gonna put a case on it? No, that's stupid. I like to
No,
live on the edge. I like to live
no,
on the
you
edge.
have to. You buy thin phone to be like, to be your case not that recognizable, you know.
There's some pretty good thin phone cases.
Yeah, I got one. It's like, leather, but really thin leather. It's barely recognizable.
Yeah, I have Incepio. What is it called? Incepio.
Uh-huh.
I can't. I drop my phone too much. Fuck. I think everyone drops their phone. It's a great idea, E, though. We got to think. It'd be cool. Think of something.
Yeah, I got a case for my S8, man. This thing, I ain't breaking this phone. Looks too sexy.
Got me thinking, E, now.
Yeah, F bomb. I'm guilty of sleek and pretty.
I don't really say this to too many people, but as far as my little secret, as far as my two computers, well, one of them is a really old one that doesn't work. I got my new one in the crappiest looking case I could find. I try to find like a tan box, right? Something that looks boring as hell out of the late 90s, early 2000s, and put the killer hardware in that. And then I go and find the newest for cheap, the newest, Ricer looking case, and I put the old broken hardware in that. And then if anybody breaks into my place and steals a computer, they're likely to grab the Ricer looking one and thus get the crap.
You couldn't make your life harder than this, man.
Guys, George called out something good. The VIX is spiking here, guys. The VIX is spiking. VXX, 9-day VIX. Oil's drop. Oil's looks pathetic here. I think oil goes lower here. I think we go to 45 by tomorrow night. I don't know what this means for gold though. That's the only thing. I don't know what that means though.
Skyper said because she sold some Vicks.
She
You
sold some.
guys, you guys just buy VIX? Like,
I don't. I watch it. I no. I ain't letting that kill my account. He's the gunslinger with that one.
I only do VIX sometimes. Again, if you want a permanent position, just short VIX SVXY. Hold that 10 years. Oh, right now is probably not the best time to buy it long, but next time the market crashes, just remember short VIX is a position too. Short VIX is a long term position too, should I say? Because of the rollover, it only goes high. It just goes higher because of the rollovers, because of the contango.
Yeah, I like to use it as a sometimes as an indicator gauge, along with like the dollar and the bonds and notes.
A good way to look at the VIX if you're not trading it, if you're just an observer only, essentially is whenever the VIX's contango is almost becoming backwardation, that's the time to long the VIX. And what is backwardation? Backwardation is the opposite of contango. Essentially, features. A contango means the future price is higher than the current price. Backwardation is the future price is lower than the current price. So you see, most of features are in contango, always bias to the upside, but sometimes they go bias to the downside.
My gold position looks numb. I bought in a really pretty much on a 1290
1290
94.
or 94. Oh, you bought the top?
Fucking yeah.
Buying the top. I thought it was going to break out around that area, though. It looked like it was going to break out, but it did not. You saw the channel probably too, right?
Yeah, I did. Well, I guess the 1300 is obvious here, you know?
Yep.
The question is it going to turn back on me? Or should I close it? Should I?
That's your call, man. That's your call.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I'm thinking about. You know, the market has that habit, really annoying habit. As soon as you take a loss, it goes to your direction. Do you know that?
Oh, let's look it up. No, I have not. Sorry, Ryan. I'll take a look at it right now. I'm just like really slow today. This is probably the. Let's see. What the fuck is this? PC. Pilgrim's Pride Corp. Oh, it just. Oh,
Skyper knows what I mean. Do you have positions on gold, E?
I'm long gold miners. I don't trade gold specifically, man. I don't day
Gold
trade gold.
specific.
Yeah, but I trade gold miners, which is very closely tied to gold, of course.
But you are long gold miners.
Yeah, I'm still. I mean, I'm long biased gold, of course. Ryan looks like it's bouncing. Obviously, let me see a little more. Let's just look at the Fibonacci's from the top. Or I'm sorry. Boom. Long to 27, 28.
Thanks, F Bomb. I thought I was the only one that used Bollinger Bands. That ugly girl indicator.
So I looked at PPC for Ride. So it's a consolidation for almost like 2 months now. It's going up. The 50% retracement is at $28, $27.89. I think it easily move to $27.89 given the pattern that we have here. The big bull flag, the small bull flag.
A Pilgrim's Pride.
Yep, PPG, PPC.
Jesus.
So that easily has another 20% gains. So if you want to long down the breakout, I'm sure if you put if you're doing a 20% gain, you're looking for a 3-to-1 probably. So you're looking for a 6% stop. So gold is going down. Miners is holding still here, 23.58. It's chilling on support right now. Oh, yawning's great. Ooh, crack that back too. So guys, I'm logging off here in 15 minutes. But I'll be here for a full day tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be on all day. Tomorrow I should be rested, back home, ready to party. In the stock markets, of course.
And you're gonna be ready to party right now.
I want to get some lunch or breakfast, whatever, breakfast, lunch. I'm hungry, guys. And since I only have a few more hours here in Vegas, I'm gonna make the most of it and go to some restaurants and stuff like that. Play some more BJ.
Guys, how's your lamb?
How's my what?
You posted a picture of your lamb.
Oh,
You're having
okay.
some lamb.
Oh yeah, I had some lamb chops, Gordon Ramsay's lamb chops. Because I know when you ever watch the show, he's like, the lamb is rare, right? It's rare. Send it back.
Oh, he's fucking awesome.
The sauce is so thick. It's disgusting.
So funny.
It's all about the lamb and the beef. You can't be serving raw scallops to the customer. Oh my, look at the lamb. It's so dry. Dude, okay, my accent sucked. I'm done. That was like an Indian accent for some reason. Someone's buying here gold. It's been a little bit up and down here on this 15-minute candle. I think we see. I'm Damn, oil's down 4.3%, guys.
Dollar's dropping nicely.
Yeah, NQ is crashing.
And the Q is crashing a little bit. Equities are going down a little bit here. Yeah. Oh, guys, goddamn, it's negative now. NQ is up a decent amount this morning.
Yeah.
It's oil. Oil's dragging the market once again.
I should have came back in and shorted this, man.
Shit.
Man, missed that opportunity.
VIX is popping. Oh, dude, dollars. Yo. Dollars falling
I
hard.
told you.
Dude, what is this?
Yeah.
This looks like manipulation or some shit, right? Dude, that volatility here in the dollar trade. If you guys are trading DXY, oh my god, I feel bad for you guys trading the dollars. It's like whiplash back and forth. I bet
Yeah,
if I go to euro here, it's gonna look ridiculous. Let me go to EUR USD. Oh my god, this is ridiculous volatility. I feel bad for forex guys. They make a lot of money on little moves, right? These are too big. These are the double reversal moves in the last 8 hours. Crazy, right? So if you look at these candles here, just you don't really see these kind of. I mean, you see these big greens or big reds, but you don't see a big red, big green, big red, big green. You know, you don't see that kind of stuff. Chop, the high volatility
Weird.
chop. Yep, right. And there wasn't really much other than the ECB this point, right? From what I understand.
Why do you think that's happening? I don't know. Yeah, UJ's fucking
Dude,
doing the
Indians
old
are
M.
tanking.
SPX is tanking too. It's dropping a bit. Not tanking, but
Oh my god, guys, we're down here 0.14%. A lot of the gains got erased. That divergence that I deleted this morning looks like it's playing out now.
I mean, there ain't no news came out, right? So,
No news. No news.
man,
honestly, I was gonna buy some VIX today.
that's a nice short, dude. God.
Mm.
Show me your VIX. VIX up 1.3%. VXX.
Somebody just made some money.
I
Some
know
good money.
George Cush is long in VIX right now. I remember George. Don't worry, I remember everyone that talks in chat, what they say and stuff. I have a pretty good memory. He's long VIX. I know a lot of people are also long VIX as well.
Well, congratulations. Take the money and run.
Hold for the next year.
That's the only wisdom I can give for the VIX. Take the money and run.
Take the money, go to Vegas.
bet it all on red.
No, red. No roulettes. Bet one hand of blackjack. And they give you a 16. It's like whenever you have the big bet, you get like a face card at 16. And they have like an 8 or 9 face up. It's like, oh my god, this sucks.
I'm waiting for
Old, come on, buddy.
XIV.
What's up, Joey?
I'm waiting for a really good entry into XIV.
XIV. Oh, the short VIX?
Yeah, there's got to be one soon. This thing has got to really dip. I mean, if VIX is popping that hard.
Inverse short term. Yep.
Good job to Hedgehog. He said he got 480 on just 5 shares. That's nice, man.
So guys, the VIX is indeed spiking up. And the equities are indeed fill the gap to the downside. So I think Maestro was talking about that little gap fill action. It's a gap filling right now.
Holy fuck! It did go to 200. That's crazy.
So if you guys are short here on the equity markets, just be wary of that power hour 3 o'clock. Just be wary of that, guys. It's good to buy the dip teams back in, possibly. So if you guys like my my resistances and supports, I'll draw them back in here. You guys want to take a screenshot or something like that, save it because I'll be logging off. I don't know if you guys follow my supports and resistances that much, but if you do like them, just take a screenshot of this now since I'll be logging off in 5 minutes or so. And you notice how this little circle here, right? It's breaking. So we're trying to break the resistance and gold here. If we can stick this landing, if we can stick 1291 here at my CFD, I think we should be good to go. But we have to stick the landing here, 1291. Can't just half-ass it. And I'm now extremely hungry. I'm going to see what this is. Do you guys know what time Comey is testifying tomorrow?
everybody was talking about on TradingView.
Oh, 700 Pacific Daylight.
700, like 10 o'clock in the morning. Oh,
Yeah,
10 o'clock in the morning? Is it that early? I thought it was going to be, okay. Damn.
Yeah, that should be 0800. No, that's I think Are you Mountain Time in Vegas right now? I know Arizona.
No,
has
it's Pacific.
Okay, so if you're Pacific, then it's 7 a.m.
Right now it's 9:55 Pacific time. Yep.
Yeah, 0900. 0955. Yeah.
What's Bitcoin's doing right now? What are they doing? It's still chilling near the top. Bitcoins went under 2,800 for all those that are concerned about that.
I'm in it for the long haul, whatever.
I think I'd buy Ethereum before Bitcoin.
Scott, what is he talking about right now in Ohio? He's talking about jobs or something like that?
I'm gonna wait for more debugging on Ethereum smart contracts.
Oh, he's talking about that stuff again. So guys, just watch out if we have a new low here. I have support here 2334 for this 2345 is not really that hard of a support, but it's proving to be a good intraday here. But I have a bigger support 2334. So since I'm logging off here, the markets are coming back down. VIX is getting wrecked here, coming back down off 0.5%, but equities getting bought up as usual. Oil is coming down here under 46. It just keeps going down. Nugget down 4%. JNUG down 3%. Looks like normal retracement day to me. Dude, PM is so behind. JNUG down 3.25%. Nugget down 4%. VIX up 1%. US oil down 4.5%. UJ up pretty much flat for the day. Dollar had these big intraday moves. SPY here, it's bouncing. NASDAQ bouncing. Easily buy the dip action here. It's gonna hammer. If it hammers out here, just be careful with that VIX. So Joey had the good idea of, oh guys, gold is breaking up here. Oh my god, okay, gold is. If we print here in 20 seconds, 25 seconds, a very positive sign. Very positive sign here. So before you guys leave, before I leave here, see we're breaking the resistance here for gold. We're breaking the resistance here for gold. 10 seconds for prints. Nice. Nice. There's the bounce on gold. And look, we printed bullish. That's a bullish print for gold, in my opinion. Although it is bear flagging, just make sure when it hits the 50% retracement, it doesn't fall catastrophically down. Right, so 1291 is that 50%. But anyways, um, before I leave today, if you guys can throw me a thumbs up on this video, that'll be appreciated. For all you guys that are new in the room, welcome to the room. If you want to see me tomorrow here live, we're monitoring all this fundamental changes, Comey, ECB, etc., Japanese, etc., etc. Hit subscribe and then hit the little bell thing. You'll be notified whenever I'm streaming live. But I'm in Vegas right now. It's been a fun 2 nights here, fun 2 days here. But today is my half day because I am totally just being wrecked by Vegas, and I'm already hit my target of 500 a day for plus 665. So again, I'd like to thank everyone once again for joining the room. I'll be back here today, tomorrow, normal times, 9:15, 9 to 9:30 ish. But tomorrow we're gonna resume that normal schedule. It's that I'm just really hungry right now, and I just kind of don't want to, I kind of don't want to trade right now, to be honest. But I'll be monitoring from my phone to see if shit hits the wall, shits the fan. So just make sure that if you guys are entering positions here, just make sure if we do somehow gap down, if we towards the end of the day for miners, that's serious. It's not good. But I don't think we're to go there. I think it's relatively stable. We trade sideways for the rest of the day here. We're just gonna be at lower highs, higher lows, right? Lower highs, higher lows. So we just look for that kind of action. Look for the pennant to form. Look for the flag to form here in miners. We have that little bounce here off the support for gold right now. So just watch gold to see whether or not this is we bottomed out here earlier today. If we go lower once again, just be concerned by position that way. But again, thank you everyone for being here. It looks like a normal retracement day for GDX. We gotta find out tomorrow. Today was pretty much a nonsense day for me, or not a nonsense day, but kind of like a normal day, I guess. Like everything's retracing. No fundamental shifts anywhere. Nothing really big or anything like that. So I just want you guys to look at UJ here tonight for the Japanese data. Tomorrow, I want you guys to look in the morning the euro data for the euro. So a lot of foreign currencies is probably going to be very, very volatile. I want you guys to keep an eye for oil because it looks like oil just made a new low here. Yeah, so oil just made a new low of the day here. So keep your eye out on oil. I have oil going to 45, which is the bottom of the channel. So just keep your eye out on that. That being said, I am logging off for the day. Thumbs up for E.
Take care,
And
buddy.
I'll see everyone in Discord later.
Later.
All right, later. E.
See you guys.
Good luck out there.
Yeah, you guys. Good luck to you guys as well here in the rest of the day. Peace. Hold on 1 second. I gotta do one.
Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da-ba-ba.